naki bwakire mwancho murigereria korwa chinsemo chonsi gose chinsinyo chonsi chorobongo rwagusi korwa ase chingongo chonsi gose chinsinyo chonsi nye chinse ya Kenya na boigo ensenge mandonsi ase okonyora eriogiriga korwa naki bwakire naki kwabukire utuko bwao naki bwarenge ase ritukeriga ria Jumatano yitariki 23 mutinyo wega ogatano ona kabire na kwariganire ase nchira ya bene irinde tunyare gusanga ime ya Getembe TV ase umurobiri wega abwetwani na bwigo ne mirobiri ndi kubwatia ase eri tukeriga andonsi ase kwanyarire guse kwanyarire kwenyora nga rero ni gore buya kurambura amagoko karambuka mugorombi yare kwanyegere umutwe kwe una kero kindi akili imbuyere guse no bwate utulivu kweraneria omunguru mbia mono ase ritukeriga ria Jumatano turachi gusanga amange asekika egetambe gose ase chingaki chinyinge ase ritukeriga gwika chinsa chia morogobo kulinda so muroberiga gwika chinsa nye chia bono mambi ntuchi gusanga ase njira ire ya bene kigima chinsa mo chia Facebook Getembe TV na boigo chinsa mo chia YouTube Getembe TV na boigo butambe konyorwa kwenyara Getembe digital app irinde kwanyara kwa ubwatia umuroberi buno yiga ase esimi yao ya kuboko ikono boko genda Play Store onyare go download app yo beke ase esimi yao korinde ase bire biga kiroto chia kurigereria ensemo yekeonga umancho murigereria naki bwakire karibu sana ase nchira ere ya bene manyiri tari aho chinsemo chiri okorwa na boigo nkerengerereke obwate andake ase emombi yabona asiritkeriga dirache koba ribwate amange ayotogo chosanga ime ya Getembe TV nkuruko Matilda uyubo baigwa na kuro ase studio kabrenere havila bakubwatarana na Jasper korinde asinsemo yekionga mwancho murigereria musao yomo nigo bono akagere kuse nigo agotebekana kobeta umumro mwabo muyo wika ogokwa ayega nigo agokorekana ase chinsemo chia kebirichi gotoka ime ya Agachuba ebunge ya Kitutu Masabe County ya Nyamira ekero bono abamurabaiga bakagire buna nigo babire bagotwara kungusanana kubwatekana ningana ayobore mono ekero bono abanyanyimbo bachakire obotuki igoro yengane yobuna umurikete Daniel Ontiria gotwigorera mambi ya bono
engana igoro ya maremo nebina igoro yebiginga aserogongo rogusi nigo yarekanire koire nchirenga koirera nonyena bande gusirie magima asege kore kyabwangoiga na sabasaye babere bemyaka emeke babaire bakorwaniriro burimo ekyo kyabairete kurwana gwika gutumeke ebyoge asomosae Jared Onyisi wimeke 30 kurwa kibirichi imeye kaunti ya Nyamira asirete bugema bwae kubwatekana n'ekingoma cy'umuyo asenkoro
abonarenge nyomba kanyana rure sinkorwa abana bagacha yo magaicha karabaicha iga karabwate chingeni ku chinyomba oyo magasoka ku nyomba no yo magasoka ku rwesa igabwate bakanyora bak oyo mone yandirete nemeyo akanyora betiro yo moyo kamubetaga ngeke likerega enkoro iguru oyo ndakamubetaga wono ngachiko mnyoki go chinyagitari ngachiko bitisi ngatebigwo ngachiko akishirwona omwana oyo no nyorire
korengana na tatu mwabo nyagusira omugaka Samuel Mutari abaiga babere bakoyegwa obosemi igoro yengane yo no bosemi bwae bwabere bwetero gotokomo na gosokero konde
ona abana aba ina naje takasira akabantigera akarabantigera abana abana bakonya baramo bari buya lakini ene saitani wikirase gitobatarire abana abe bajete bakaitana
korengana no murugio nyagusira ogokwa ko mugako nigo kwaletera sare nene namange bono nachikomosinya igati yabo gukinia abana babere habo batigarite barense emyeke 15 nichinga kicho esegeto yarwewa asabasae bemyake meke
sasa ni kuhangaika tu hata sijui nafikiria wapi ama naelekea wapi bwanangu alikuwa ananisaidia juu ya chakula na school fees Sai kama yuko sijui nitaelekea wapi.
Ochindo je no muntu gakogoceire teribuya munya koirera ni kabere gatatu. Wono nabwetagete na mwaberana ama abera ni garama ya. Na gusaba nuko amabera ni garama ya. bono buna obokongu mbwata ni fakti endoche no mwana yare tatasara sana igorende abantu baminte gento nabasabe no koremererani no rumuntu akomachaire gochi mutigego nonye unabona abantu bali bakora bagaka bali bakoro ngate bagachire no mungina gako gosairo agotama osomo ngina ka gosairo mugako tama elire gwakagana mbo batama lakini mugako buruburia bwate bwakoreki bwalire ocha kwirana na mwasa bana mabera
mukagerwo munene nigo agenderete gutangwa asegetasini keba nyimbo gya keroka echinga kibotuki bwachakiwe ase chinga kicho ya mati yenye gosira yabuli gosirwa ase wikirania emeroberio ya matanga
serikali bono nero nintagete akore rubusu motom ya rengeli tukolia Jumapili lakini enda serikali nyaje tano mwana ulia yatakeira akore post motom na enderende sengencho bono baitanete na ende bari bwija batarenge barwiro atarenge murwire bono no mubera manyinga yare kuminya kubuka no bono nkumetie sakare na omubiro tusaregeti
ngurubudirigeta seni kyagetembe kuriga se kaunti ya Nyamira litrene nguruko Daniel untiri
Mwancho mwigiria gutigana nayo niko bono ebunge iye kaunti ya Nyamira bono egenderete negikaro kiaben ekyo korigereria amangana ogose okukwanira emiswada anemono ase omuswada mutangani ore korigereria okugania kumugavana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Muske Amos Nyaribo naboigo asense moyende korigereria na kiabakori miremo ime ye serikali ya kaunti barache kuba bawakanwa emishara naboigo nekiro bono timu eyu egendete kurigereria chinchera abakori miremo bali batayogose ghost workers baranyara kuruswa ase abisi ye serikali ye kaunti buna Fatgad Gisemba atwariganire tiorobotiro
abakori emiremo be kaunti ya Nyamira baria batenenetiwe emiremo asogukagirwa gutatwara amasomo aisaine nemiremo eyo amo na baria bakenetiwe ebirogo aminja yerichiko kuse baria baketiwe ebirogo nigo ekamati ya Public Service Management kuse PSM yebunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira kurawa nomo MCA omochore Josephine Atunga nigo yaikia oroboti ase bunge eyo na kurwa uguchika buna baria batenetiwe bairane emiremo yabona boigo ubutuki gokorwa asa masomo abo eryo ritangani ubusaiti boisaine butuke egetambokero kimanya kuimukigwa.
The county issues a form of public apology and provide psychosocial support services to the affected. Number 7. That a comprehensive forensic audit of all HR decisions and payroll records be done, including investigating the changes made under Mr. Godfrey Kriago's leadership between 2021 and 2024. This should focus on demotion, stoppages, deletions, recruitment, stroke appointments, arrears, and payroll observations.
Kubatikana nayo nigo aba MCA bateba egurube yogwakana abakori emiremo nigo egendrete kuba enene na nigo bakwana ne chinguru chinene igoro yo muchando w'abakori emiremo Pembeo Nyamira.
Employing anybody into work. It's their mandate, not us as the employers. They are the employers, and their pure responsibility is to ensure that the documents represented before them are genuine.
Rightful role of oversight. We stop bootlicking, we stop sleeping or going to bed with the executive. That is the time we bring sanity into this county of Nyamira.
Ensema yaye omonogeri bwebunge eyo Mosketarias Nyabaro nigo amochika omokonyi bw'omonogeri James Matinga na boigo omo MCA o township Duke Masira kochora ekomiti y'abantu 11 abo bawicha gutuka obukurumi obwo bwikiraniwa aze wizara ya Public Service Management ekurawa n'omuwasiri Kennedy Angwenyi.
Honorable Thomas Vincent Benecha, Honorable Charles Kaganda, Honorable Henry Osinyo Ogoya, Honorable Abigail Martin, Honorable Michelle Keumo Moyo, Honorable Doris Nyamanga, Honorable Josephine Atunga, Honorable Abel Mukaya, Honorable Josia Mangera, Honorable Julius Patwere, Honorable Minda VH Speaker and the sum up to be 11 member of experience informed.
Committee eyoinya ya chorwa nigo bare na matuko emerongo 5 no moka erio wikia oroboti orwo ase bunge ye county eyo
be adapted to the ad hoc committee to investigate on the matters of ghost workers and recent illegal employments by the county government of Nyamira. Whereas many of the similar opinion say aye, aye. Whereas many of the contrary opinion say nay, the ayes have it.
Poigo aba MC abaiga bakwanera amaganio y'omugavana Nyaribo ayo arengete a bill kose memorandum of the referral of the Nyamira County Appropriation Bill 2025 na poigo okuania ebengi ya KCB engeria yabo yakira omutieni wetera aroro engana no nyanigo baetia kobwamo.
Honorable Speaker, sir, and therefore move a procedural motion to allow debate of the motion on the Kenya Commercial Bank's proposal for early salary processing for the County Assembly of Nyamira.
Kinko reporter Gatembe korwase bunge ye county ya Nyamira egotoka imeya ward ya Township West Mugirango Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Mwancho muligereria nende gutigara ime ye county ya Nyamira nigo bono enka emo eyo yanyara kobake gusirio mwanchobo oyore omongina Beatrice Mbaturu awasanyarite gutiga umwana ikengwerera bono yagokeire igatambukira ke mwana siasa oyomo koena na engombe ya mabere gucha ase enka eyo ekibono abanyakenyoro bechinsemo echo chikenyoro cha egetonto ime yo wadi yabokeira ime ya North Mugirango bono banyare gutabana gitambukira ekiya kekera chikonekia una kerokende umwana oyo iga ekengwerera onyare konyora ogosirwa oika ekero agukina omurikito Paul Kapokara gatwarigenero rwasenchira ya bene
bune njere ye moyo kugendera gusira abatali kwenyara kurwa sebinyoro ime nigo omuske daktari Walter Ongundi Chanuha endera kunyara kwabaga kuramboro koboko kwaego chiase abanga buna abaigase kenyoro nime ye kenyore kiga kyabotule ekyo tokemeya sublocation igajege tonto ase tokomerana amonenkeje iga ya Cyrus Kamanda oyo omongino ya Sereta Petrus Michira anyadete kobaga gusirwe mabwa ya matuka make chingaki ale kogonkia
agatotigera omwana we wiki wono ntuakora amatanga oyo minto Janua naikaga agakwana agatosese nine ng'ombe ono yeretire nereye nekimogoteba
niga igase omurayo yoiga kurwase county Nyamira abeire gakubwatoka eng'ombe eyo erakunyara kabage kolenda omwana mokebwe wiki oyo otigetwe magaya makweria yaiga amusia bano
niga asira muroche nyoma muno mumurako nyoma muise ko muriaka ryo mutigero umwana bwiri tukelimo tukaba togoijana togokumiana kitorarera umwana oyo lakini agento kyogo kumia Nyasaye bunari Nyasaye agatuma omosiko yo egafana yaito twabekire bono koboko okorukuchanwa oromo Samaria obwata max 99.5% twabeka chikure round yeri lakini ntorochi omonto gototinyi morochi na torochi chitukigoro tokaminyoka bose chipara togaserwa misini naro yoka tokona korigo twachandikire bono mbwate emyaka 30 yoka no mongino otamanini
agante bingende ndete ng'ombe inge omumuroyo eng'ombe nere naretire na moire na maokabere eng'ombe igokamwa amabere atari make ebikombe bine marogoba ebikombe bine maambi igongo ntoro no kwegena nga kwetire eng'ombe eye nekini omwana oyo
nigo abamenyi abamate baigokora sekenyore kega bagende ko bagotogia igitambukiro cy'umurayo yiga kubanyora bari abale abokonyora wense
nigo tokwira lingambi ya mono onde mwensi kuikera omwisimi wa Janua amote bingambi ya mono itari nekerengo
utorusiria kongu kwanya tokunya gotebana kina kitokoba lakini asirie tari Yesu Janua tokonye
nigo balirira ngamba tukonyera ko bakomobwate cyase eganga yahe asikiria ngani gabwate ngorengi yago cyase amagima ya mwanya bantu gento baganire abara ibande kubwatia omulio yoiga
atabire natiganya sasa senia kegwe keiga naenda sasa ni oria chanua wori tachanua amo sasa ni asago tachabwana kororoka ntugo tomoyata magoko onsi abereiga ekiagara moroche munatura nonyene bara gochinja nuogerete gaticho onyora togo chigota chaiga tuagu nobosie tuasigo kororoka togo chigogende tundubali kenda mamogoria magena lakini chanua no mosacha ogerire tuakorire ki tuanorire barabara
nomweli oyeni go bagendere ko bakobomochia oborai gwe county ya Nyamira asibaganiria abananchi korwa sorogongorigana bwego korwa se county ya Nyamira kwene kibuno bachole bole mutwe ngochora bale abaraya baranyar ko bakonya abantu bokonyora wense nanene bokonya e county asibatugirie Walter Chanua
bono njega ndonare ko kwimisa abantu baminto abana bali abake basokire gocha somochie bali basokira se kenyoro gakitogene tubwate kura bono moroje gaiga omwe msiensa igare lakini ntumorochi ntwanya komana na samatanga gaki abantu baminto mwali gwancha intubuna basaye intu tora chenchi county ya Nyamira ebe county
inko reporter getasene kya wanjete kya gatembe inchi konkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Mwancho murigereria gukoirania ase county ya Kisii nigo bono chia matebere mukuru ase kenyoro kya Nyamwara ime ward ya Kiumbu na boigo mukuru ase kenyoro kemo gya Kamawa ime ye ward ya Kiogoro chonsi chigotoka ime ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii nigo bono chia nyare kuboria obokonyi eri kubaenia konyoro gosirwa eri kubaenia abancho babo ababeire bakubuta ase nkendu ase egeka egetambe nekero bono bakuburia una chibese cho gose bile niko yanyare ko bake kogenda igoro mono nekero baligetie konyora ogokonyo koro ase bonsi bali bwate uwancha okuyabuna anko dipo nasanya agotumanya
ubatigeirwo abana baraba omwana omoke mono koboko na mabera tukona uzuni ebili nere wetania no eneli bumia moja
amakongu na mange agendete koenekigwa ase binyoro chingaki anene chiama tichirichire no konyoro wense bagenderete kurigia obokonyi bwokoenia abanchu babo kubo babeira senkendu asegeka
yeta yangoro kwa morisi aguru ferinya kondo oyu bonsale iganda somo chie onyagusiro mwaka mogire ase omwana oyakuru kwa kengere mogire asirete mwaka oyo iga na baba okurwara akabogo kwa bono gakarega alia mochari ema agayita se ogotineka kwaye igobune kenyoro ye kamagwa tonyaranga ntubwati epil era ko mundusiga ali mochari to komoenia
mire situ atemire torigere rogoro mate igoro ntwana konyora mokonyi osirete mukamo muro minto omwana oyo gaba anyoma korubokamba igaure omwana arare to murugi oyo uromoke mono bono gwetera abaminto bakwanire bakamura abaminto bakwanira anti anarebe kokwanire na maeno kuganiria iga se family yogokonya
korengana na barobwe nigo bagotebanga batemire omukia bwe binyoro gusangireria chibesa kurindeti baraikeria kerengo gie chibesa chiganeirie eri banyare konyora abancho babo engana batebanga nigo babeire no mukia wogoikera barai bali barasobisi
musibati nawe mugeta tusirira akatigero omwana omosiri nibwo motienya yo mebere baminto kamara anje nkorera tole twakire gotabataba twasinyiru ebiri ya nyagitari gere igoro ntobwate mo MP yo kenyo kwenda constituency ito ya Nyamwara o karago chata tebe tabinga ninjugoja etingesi ata ebitwanga bieke chanja bekianga ata ekarangeti ata no machene nisie nando taikera dina bakoro kanyarunse
omwali oyo bono nigo baruro kuboria gochia Samaria bali bane no moyo bwwancha banyale kubwato kobokonyi gochia se chinkecho elio banyale konyore mibere y'abancho babo kurase chinkendu elio banyale koba bakobaenia
aso yo minto okengo yambane gakia torora mabira ato kanari epire yeshara atwakanire enduruse mwakoriga ali mochari aiche tumutigutiri
omara yokengo twagosabire twarerira abangina bekenyoreke nabagaka akitokonye ekiagere epire mochari gali nigere nene
gakio togosaba nandi bomwirire reportiga gakio tore na mayanda koruga gochimate korurogoro ntorubwati igone ayo botamero boito atokonya turucio mugako uria sakare garia mocheri tumorete nka
kuripotire gataseni kiao kia Gatembe kurega sebunge ya Nyaribari Chache kutoka kaunti ya Kisii letera nigongoro kwa Dipon Asanya
mwancho murigereria gutigana nayo korwa ase korwa Nyaribari Chache nigo bono nande asentunda yende abonchoriria bechiro ya kebirigo yogotoka ye county ya Nyamira bono nande barure era yokocha gotakana ebango cha serikali ye county korengana no yoro munyakiro go bwechire yo manyakane tuna Samuel Marigo nigo serikali ya county ya berike kombia amaganio ya bonchoriria bechiro ya kebirigo na bono ogotabekirwa chitaya cha butuko amache oko igorwa agwechi para ime yechire yo negati yabiri bitaraba bigwikiraniwa korengana abuna banyarete gukora oko iwana nekiro bono baborire buna banyare gwikiraniwa yo nabo igo rirori mbachi kogenderera wakana ebango
mache taiyo taya chirichi arengo nchiyo chiombe tokone rie chiro lamiuru bantu baitu baumira bangi ogenda oira chibesa ochukogite ebitigo chiaria biasara bitaiyo otiga kebiru asakurusu chibesa naende nchondo chenga bono iga abarale baminto ngo bichokande kwa sababu ongainire emiaka yega bono metiengiana yaerire korwa ndebete ngango bekara maji nchego ikira iga bono anytime kurubono buna nakwana iga ncho iga bono na bichokire anytime nabo mokungana kebiru twagome segia konya korwana yoka kaesegie ingi kaura tebie ligasi yaye nere yogotiga nere ikao kogenda neroka kiagara no korugo kunoruo lakini nkiora atige no ene familia yao banya kokubwate ngaye nkwagambe igota kita bana bawo na bachiko karanza mbaye gukero bawo karanza
to our support echirere ga igama ate sikigali kigotenana kigali kigotenigwe para igoro we have asked them ngabanje to transfer abantu bali bayito kurwe pararia bache maiga for security purposes, for safety purposes, and actually bache maiga even revenue collection will improve because one chigarme jiwe tadi jinde jiwe ta direct njirigo ta match pick abantu so na temere ko advice mbali koywa ndo ko gambe is everywhere in this market. Serikali mwaganyari bontu ya tosinyire, and I want to be very categorical on Tebe. They promise heaven where we are still on earth. We have given to our ngaki pateme ko goikirania mbali goikirania. A committee yane chiro njenda ite go side na barongo Teba njena temire korwa enough time paka promise ngoja wali bangire gocha. What do we do onyaje? In Kenya, this government they understand pressure. So I am supporting my committee now. Take about down tools any minute from now because we have had enough.
Mwancho murigere na boigo egati abananchi kuro ase bunge ya North Mugirango me county ya Nyamira nigo besokirie na kuba mochia abangina abubarorekanire babiri bagukwana amangana yoko bachecheria abasaye abubanyare wesokia na mbachigo so ase ukuboria ebirogo ime ye county yo ya Nyamira ase obuchorio bonene ebori bosio nekire bono abananchi abo batebira maskana bono tukuba tukauchase abaraye bonsi bali baligeretie kose babwate ganga yogocha kubuli birogo biburai ase amatuko arebosio
asabangina gete babere batatu bakora mu mota cyane nkundi bachire bairwe chi sanitary towels chioka natakunyaragira ukyo bugavana. We want to make a warning tuwone abangina abakapisa kuchakira chisho mumanyi tuwone umuntu rupamera chiki tuwone umuntu ngoro kunga kinyorini patike gosori pika pisa yoko chacheria
bagotena gwota chanu usuguna ndirio bogoti abangina aba ngaibaroche ekenyoroge gotena penye wazee apalipiki neno mbakwane tena penye wakungu mbatebeti bakungu ebatebete buna penye wazee apalipiki neno bono ekentu twari gukwana neke na konya bakungu aba bagotume kuna cherusha bachakire gotena na gwota chanu atakunyara Wota jana ta kunara umukungu yo cherusa nero bangainire ne sanitary towel ne chitangi go chisukuru elinda bangaine na bataka go chocheri omwana ominto nere to kwa chikoro 2027 no to nene to support bakomo erio egento kende ekero geke kyo gumende pungi bwate chinguru sana lakini cheruso yotara konya bantu pi ase gorta chanua bwado ntura mubeke segasi lakini okonyira bana boda boda sa barigeri chireses erinde boda boda nero yetegeme erinde ekoregasi gochimotu gaiga igotware goteya abantu baminto nyamire ngimana noti mugirange ngima paka Kenya ngima se itabire omongino jerusa mumanyi atiga gochocheria abagusi erinde amayena abagusi na bomba bwate chinguru na nde kugamba bare
ito boniga twendete korora mugintu nkiyo gegokoreka because amororo you are over the 50 years indika abantu bunantu toranyore chi obisi echi na into to occupy we need change and we need change.
Nakoro ase bunge ye Senate ni gobono omoseneta omochore okenyuri kuroiga ase kaunti ya Kisii bono anyalete kubotoka amagombo aye bene kuchase enka ayaye Catherine Nyamato oyosira amatuka make ayetire Catherine Nyamato nigo arenge musubati mutangani kima kochoro kubo omobunge kurase Orugongo rwagusi nigo bono omoseneta esi okenyuri anyalete kumotogia na goteba nigo arenge omurai bwengencho kigima anemono ase amatuko abasubati batarenge kura.
I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52-1 to make a statement on a matter of national concern, namely the demise and enduring legacy of the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato, who passed away on Wednesday, 16th July 2025. Madam Speaker, the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato, a former nominated Member of Parliament from Nyamira County, West Mugrango constituency, was the first woman Member of Parliament from the Gusii community. She was nominated by the Kenya African National Union Party, that's KANU, and served with dedication as a member of the 8th Parliament that ran from 1998 to 2002. She was a seasoned politician and a woman of valor who never compromised her beliefs. She was known to be fearless and passionate in what she fought for, and never surrendered even in the face of intimidation. Even so, she was both humble and principled and exemplified the spirit of service, which earned her the admiration of colleagues from across the political divide. Beyond her parliamentary tenure, the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato served as a chairperson of Maendeleo ya Wanawake organization, which I'm a member, through which she amplified the voices of women and girls across the country. She boldly championed women's rights and fought against harmful cultural practices like female genital mutilation, pushed for gender equality in Kenya, and was relentless in her advocacy for women leadership. She also founded the Nyamato Foundation, where she took part in programs geared towards transforming the lives of her people. Madam Speaker, the legacy of the late Honorable Catherine Nyamato is well documented and will live on generations to come. I offer my most sincere condolences to her family, friends, people of Nyamira County, and nation at large. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Mwancho muligere nakuro ase ebunge enene nigobono omujumbe o West Mugrango omoske Steve Mugaka anyale kogendera kwegerera ekegancha kie NGCDF nekirobono anyale gotebo buna niko kiabere ekegancha kiakolire ama nene aiga ase ense ya Kenya nekirobono abolire abajumbe bonsi banyale gotenda bukongo na gokiegerera nabo igo banyale koligia chinchera barachekone kibuna kiakolira amange kubwa bono.
NGCDF as a fund is a miracle fund. In fact, it is now making me believe that it is not only a fund, but a development model. Because in our economics, we were being taught of development models created or invented by certain people in the Western world. If you asked me, what NGCDF as having been engineered to date, is achieving for Kenya, this is a development model that this country will very soon be exporting to other developing countries as a way of getting out of poverty, dependency, and getting into industrialization. And because this is a a very, very unique development model. It is no wonder then that civil society is being funded by neocolonialists to fight this NGCDF. Why is it that every time this NGCDF is taken to court, it is taken to court by civil society? Who funds the civil society? Africa will not continue being dependent. We are like M-Pesa, capable of evolving and creating development models like NGCDF that will change the world. I want to urge all those who have to play their role to complete the entrenchment of NGCDF in the Constitution to do their role, because this is a development model managed by, the lowest of the low. Yeah, the committees at the constituencies, the committees at the implementation stage, and this is where even the locals will always come and see what their money is doing. And I want to encourage us members that as much as NGCDF may be demonized, as much as it is fought, we know that the majority of Kenyans are for CDF. We know that we represent those majority of Kenyans. Let us bite the bullet and ensure we protect the people, we protect their fund, and we ensure that it is enhanced rather than threatened by those anti-developmental neo-colonialist.
Na waziri w'ekiganja gya serikali umusike John Mbadi nigubono anyare gukwanira egati yebigocha biria serikali egendete gwetera ana mono ase ensemo ya uchumi na boigo ase amangana asiasa ka ukwana alitukore igoro nigo anyare gukwana buna nigo ense ya Kenya ya birike gwetera amakon ayubono aboria barai banyara gukora ukubwaterana iliyo ukukora gose gukora ugusira kuchia ase serikali enene na gukwanira oboiti bwa Kenya chinga kicho kurubekana nigo agikeire ngane yo na kirabolirie abakenya batige kurubosaria chinga kibakora ukurubekana.
To see what is happening in this country today, whatever we are seeing is not genuine concern of wananchi complaining about bad or poor governance. We know that we are not perfect as a country. We know that we still have a long way to go in all spheres of life, whether economic, social, political. We have made some steps and we are still making steps. Politically, Kenya is envied in the region as one of the democratic states in this region. But if there is a problem with the police, and that has been investigated, there is killing and it has been investigated, the culprits are already arrested, they are already charged in court and being prosecuted. What else do you want the government to do? Does that give you the permission to go and loot supermarket? Does that give you excuse to go and vandalize petrol stations? Does it give you excuse to rape our women? Does it give you excuse to steal from the shops and the eateries, people who have nothing to do with that brutality? There is no democracy that allows you to infringe on the rights of others. And that is what we saw. And it is this that people think that these people who are convincing us that there is nothing happening in this country, what is it that is going so bad that was not happening during Uhuru Kenyatta's time?
Na umancho murigereria siasa yokuborikiro kyobrai wense nigo egenderete kubita nsekigima ayayiga magega yoyore umurai bwekiama kia DAP Kenya Eugene Omosike Eugene Wamalwa konyara koerera kosego tuguterare chinkuma buna nigo banyare gochora oyorache gotenena ekirogo kyobrai wense koro asensemo ya obomo kose ensemo yo kwambereria serikali eyere nobomo ase amatukaega nekiro anyare goteba buna ekiro chingaki chindonge chige chigoika mba chikonyora omorai eka korwa ase gati yabarai burabona omusike Kalonzo oyore bwikiama kia Wiper oyore ntobwate omusike Martha Karua oyore oyo PLP Gachagua o DCP ntobwate omusike walawa korwa DAP Kenya nabo igo onde bwensi orache gochorwa korwa ase ensemo yo anyare gutenera kose anyare ko babunanere orache kumuke bendera ase ikiro kyobrai bwensi.
Watu wameanza kutumia ile inaitwa speculation kusema eti muungano wetu tayari tumechagua yule atakayebeba bendera ya urais. Nothing can be further from the truth. Na nataka niambie Wakenya kwamba muungano wetu hatujakaa ama kukubaliana mbeba bendera wa muungano wetu. Na hatuna haraka. Sisi sasa malengo yetu ni kuunganisha Wakenya, kuleta Wakenya pamoja na kutayarisha team ambayo itahakikisha Bwana Ruto anakuwa one town. Our focus is on uniting to liberate and restore our country. It's not on picking on a candidate prematurely. Sasa nataka niambie Wakenya kwamba siwe na wasiwasi, sababu hii inaweza kuwa ni njama ya wale walio serikalini, and we know how NIS works. Wanaanza speculation na ianze kutugawanya sisi. Kufika sasa tuna vyama 10 kwa muungano wetu. Fikia sasa tuna wagombezi 5 wa urais. Kwa chama cha DAP Kenya nimeidhinishwa Eugene Wamalwa kuwa mbeba bendera wa DAP Kenya. PLP Bi Martha Karua. Kule DCP tuko na Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua. Kwenye Wiper Patriotic Front tuko na Mheshimiwa Kalonzo. So far we have 5 presidential candidates. Na hatuja amua ni nani. Na hatutaingia huo mtego ambao hawa wanataka eti tuwaonyeshe our candidate prematurely. Hiyo hatutakubali. Vile tumesema, wakati ukifika mwaka ujao tutaonyesha ni nani. Kwa DAP Kenya nimetunikiwa hiyo heshima na naamini I'll be the best presidential candidate ever. Lakini nafasi hiyo nisipotunikiwa hiyo heshima na mwingine sisi tutamsupport kikamilifu. Kwa hivyo stop this premature speculation about our flag bearer and our lineup. That is our prerogative. At the right time we shall unveil it.
Oikirabo mwancho murire na ngokora ekionga chinse 12 etia bono mambi korende nigondo chinga timu eri ya botambe gosena ndo chabagani aiga abanyare gotion en ase omorobere otatika momanye gonto ikoro chinse mochanya nchonori na ziporoe watanga eriogi timetinga momanye sokro kwa wancha omente eriogi goseba teba commentary eriogi rie TV yago asingencho kroiga turochenga tukagerete una emitambo umbiyere iliogi indire aronya turatubwata bya nabokote mana inde kurigereria etv yose ene bwate iliogi irisaine korende mbia mona sana nigahote bangano arime iyo murobere kama kawa akubokia babonya moya bweramani elene onyancho umungina berimote choke machoka Daktari James Miogo na Bonsi na boigo kura aigase chinse moche mutandao Facebook ndo cheti mwenene neraro mnabono embusorengi abatakora chinse moche abonchari bumwanja akondani ntopate Likuyanis a finest nigauta tuned in kura Nzoia Ward Likuyanis sub county Kakamega county Mbia mwana sana na umusori bwege susu nerate bakura na Kuru City Salams Club kama kawaida. Teresa Kimta watabakire Matilda kura chinse mocha Karatina na otore amo mbia mono kigima umusori bwege susu na bwege Teresa Kimto nyamwaka domi awatabakire kura bogeche nyaribari masaba kwani abantu babogeche domi mbia mono kigima Christopher Tandi kura Kenyambi Robrangi Kenyambi nomburugyo ya Lydia Kirbo hadi tamati akonte binga have a good day you too na David na Kitare leo good morning Mombasa Likoni kona police tukombele pamoja mbuya mono kigima Adrian mam Adrian's mam Kemunto ni gauta korwa oroboti nyatieko nere Ruth Kemunto bwakire buya mono kigima. Dan Ogaro nera goteba korwa Dan Ogaro hata kwa chinse mocha nyaura watching ambiya mono sana. Victor Mondo mienda awata listening awata watching kwa chinse mocha Kilimani tuko pamoja hadi itamati ambiya mono sana. Victor Omondo mienda ndoche ngwa change itaito ya change tika ba honorable ontatigatina manyanga honorable kega inkiro kieke egose Victor kia guchire moyo na boigo Rogers Nyariki kuro Amsterdam Netherlands out and on day watching live Getembe TV news ambia mona sana kuro apari abons kuro chinse mocha Gulf na ntobwate Dominic Irera awate bakura obo mokora chinse mocha Bonyakera mbia mono kekima pilipili hoho awate ba tuned in from Timani watching live pamoja kwani abantu ba Timani ebonsi Moi Ananda akoteva korwa anyagenke with my wife Eileen Morana mheshimiwa MCA Timothy Ogugu ndani pamoja pia mono kema Edwin Okari nere koronyatieko akoteva nigo are tuned in pia mono sana ase mwensi bari mwanyare wikya kose gotanga na kigima mwanyare kubuka se evreviga bya bono mambi elio ko upana inche asomurobero yiga wetwani ya Getembe korende asege ka kerebosio nekirotara chikoligire chigazeti cheri tukeriga ngo kuboria chinse mo cha Facebook kendera kigima kulika rioko manyaye ase ombwati tukuru na boigo ekerengere kya ongereki anamuno alitukeriga ria Jumatano ekiroro chenga embio teri kugusabu ye nonye igisiasa kwanyoranga chinkanchiro rocha matinjiro babwati abancho babo ase chinkendo bataranyara kobo abakobaine ntubwate oroboti nande kuroiga ekirebono omumura akagere gose agotebekana kumubita omumuro mwabo omuyo kubwatekana akiribuna nigo babire bagotoro sanana igoro yendemero ekirengere kya ongereki chingaki cyabono mambi nabo onye kwewetinga kero kende eliogi iri TV yao ndi saini kosendi bwate kasoro esigno ne bwato muchando naro nabugoto manyere tari awo tinsemo echo ekero chinga esigno teri ebuyego onye ko to watch tinsemo cha online YouTube naro naboko gendese live chat o manyereta ase okoro na boigo na ki narali alioganeti mbravi ntimu kiri oganeti goswanero ime yo murobere gendera kubwatia umurobere wiga wetwani ya Getembe korenda sobono tobosa guska na bokonyara gusiba mache oyore necha oyore nerongore na bokogenda gusiba igero to gocha kuirana nensemo yechigazeti
Yesterday. Kijana hujasoma na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndio nimekubali.
Mashaallah.
Unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV. Yani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli buli. Ware!
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu utamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero ili wimanye muna mangana watika gwikira chingaki ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tugukora live streaming ya mang'ana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share n'abasani amune amate ebyo bayigokie bemanye nawe semya tubase kwiba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ebyo onyaliko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kyamamogusie.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Kresimia number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje tea Gatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemirulu yetu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinia omugusi ase enengo yae yabere gekorwa obokorere ase chinse mubuna bono savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik siba kiresi miasi number 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isaac Omwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings gongo bakira bia isoko chara Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi ona hintu toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sako na gosewa ase sake ese wali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sako yeito na gusi yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Superstores nero eduka asorogongoriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chotebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Eduka yo bomo ya Ouru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kuba tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Ouru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
simiki ye urunda bote amona mabaki
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire gose baliensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya pamoja sako iryonyore obukoreri ubuya ase kinse muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iryubwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga umosio wa Kenya pamoja sako sako ya wa Kenya pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigo kwa savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara wa Kenya pamoja sako kuna financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wanaintu tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese bali batara join please njubwango mo join tukinie esako yeito na gusi yeito esa magenda wa Kenya pamoja you our concern.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Mwancho mwarigerea karibu sana sensemo eti gazeti mambi ya abono kuse kirondo che ya butokire chitaika 15 na isato ase ensa emo ya abono mambi karibu sana irinde tunyara sanga sensemo ya nabo ikorigerea narali akendreta ase chinsemo eme yense ya Kenya kubomono narali akunerete mwanya getinge chinsemo cha Facebook YouTube ngokonyoria no tunyora na Getembe TV na igase studio na Wotambe ni gondenere mienda sam abugo Erika Buge kirotra chukurikiria ayo agenda karibu sana sinjira ile ya vene mienda wakie
ya sana
wotabana
ensema to credit kubona bokia na ya konyora kwa kana kurende bitambo bitokegaiga senseme yagaye gazeti egera tumanya abarigeri baito ekikegendereta senseme y'ikigazeti
abo
Kiribia. So mwaka 2006 my father get to Catholic Church kwa Father Godfrey Shundu aka excommunicated from the Catholic Church arenge Bungoma na Kitale. Hizo ni ave excommunicated ya lenga nyola tukere kunyome nani ya sister ya mkuru wa kanisa iko kustela na ngira. Ona kada ngonyoma wale my father aka excommunicated akana kale nyangi mpapike na sister huyu. Kada kale nyangi wakachaka kanisa ya very Reformed Catholic Church. From 2006 mpaka bona ini yagerenge.
Miaka 19.
19 yeah. Onia de afo bana batatu kwa swati. Timati bana batatu ya mona jabu mo sister.
Ati mo father akarifo makabomo kakabweka.
Mwaka bwinga. Onia bana batatu bonzi ya basic. Wachai kanisa yao. Ana bakali nyangi mpapa. Onia medinga bana batatu ya mona jabu mo sister.
Kunyarikana. Konyoro ndio gutwara manyingangina abo mo sister. Mienda. Tumiti kile at any point in your life. Kwanya kotebanga no chobo. Musasiroti.
Yeah, by then you know more Seventh-day Adventist. And unless in part of the Catholic denomination, maybe and I can cut a point in the but even the SD, I think abantu mbale ebukunera goteba nya tutageti na arana bogotiga lakini to SD custom, by the way, you can tell abantu bange they are married, of which to be married is good, not to be married also is good, because near biblical nchitanya kolengerelbo korende tema thing abuna mwata babuga nabo liswali yesana whether one of the daughters nabara bwikana ma gosinabo mo sister onye bonsi baba go chotwara manyinga ya bible babo. I don't imagine, because at some point na alingo mo sister the father was also a father. Lakini yesinge jibune sere they got married.
The father was a priest.
So the father was a priest. Troch. Pono nga okoranga is imbali konyala. I don't believe in there could be one who could continue the sisterhood and the priesthood, the sisterhood actually. Think according to me, if the blood of their parents still no irasibali, ndo change.
You see one no? For me, it's not about thing. My father na chitaka soka kanyoma. Sasa correct. No, there's a splinter group ya Catholic Church. Wako allow for marriage. One splinter group ya kaenda kunya kanyoma sana. But the ntaona kolege from my perspective ya media, kile kuebolea maswali ya kubolinga ki Father Godfrey Shundu see an eye reflection even to maybe kole kana behind the curtains amongst the priest ya next sister. Ni sori montore bole kinende watanga to question yo mondo wakaro bakoro liwanya sai okubatiga nyasaye kachuwa ukumuboka lege komunyo.
Tari mangana nande mienda kwera na sore egurege kuro bono mambi komanyete kware gusome kugura a professional monas abambarawe
okay buna nare ho chegas by the alisenya Italia gakan okoranga ngina naro sirire ku mabwaye kama mkia wano meaning that no muntu bono ku mabwaye bwa rire bari barenge kolera action abana bae they are not those monas in the Luanyaza no to kunga abantu ngwaka barabo ko wakano kolera matanga, but that was a genuine say kirero kilinkiarengi kya kyo muntu akanire no muntu gwato horo ase mambia wano wetrasiririe oyo mwabo ase mambia wano ogimana bobore na otorochi 20 nelinga lituko njenko liroka expiry date litaraje maite no nyene chumbi ane sukari no ane bintu kirege at least kirege ntakarokugara nyagitari nkondora alikwanyora ngakirikire expiry date nago ikarabono gente will not be used. So tuobogima bwa omonto narondire goikari tukori yao ya nyasaye akorobereti ng'a bono kwamanyire goiko bwense eki nekingaki kiao bono kiokogenda bono omong'ina oria actually okorora ng'a rero nari yarenge expiry date yae bono nabancho bae bagendete konyakorera sana of which is very normal because mwanya bantu we have emotions especially aba smart family toko ba pole we are hoping that sana agenda ko ba chinguru asinga ki gabanyorera makongo
Abuga.
Yes.
Nke mo kwanda igoro igiebiriro ikiagira nabange boniga tari ngano nya na babona mambe buka abantu nabange boniga barase ikinyumba cyebiriro.
Professional mula estimate nga bagotoka. And then I think it's a competition. Madandu babakinirete town away from home. Nekera go janga. Na andu bakolo mobo ina bakubura. Kumanya one the only way you could show empathy na maybe na love nga muntu na anjire na antanjire. No ne utabi bikinya taga changi. Ho mulgi abantu nga batani nga bakura kabisa. Akini they can make sense. It only makes sense for the family maybe tabwate oboamo tabwate obwanje n'abantu bandi be community. But yes, and why if you have a family of more than 50 people, why do you want to get a professional man such a common man me? Eko era 50 miles in the bakolera. Unless mo tadi kolera. Unless mo ndo bachande te pi mo ndo mamu akomba anto palerisi. Kile ndai diary a family setup tike okerere. Atinde ko yo. And I wish one day nda matanga koru mvuangu. Kama munda kule sityo ko tanga teto kanyomo yo kala America ache yo kala jiwa pia ache samo tinde ko yo ko chakula America ache kule kero boy namboro ko ni kala no ne ko ka tanga we live beyond the grave kama munda kule mo ko yo ko endalalia ko tira si yese ko we live beyond the grave mo ntana ache ko romo bero lik na ramna la ka romo bero of course the last respect yes but it's an African culture na small yo mean but ende tige and bakem ko matanga
Andagena Matilda, amaite amunana matanga tari abantu mbare batari ko hired lakini okonyoranga muntu utari mwanya komorra lakini akorera. I think abuga the matanga ngo chiararwe platform nano muntu ochutoka.
No muntu wate shida chae.
O chaga alionyore platform o orera kabisa na baranyora akorera chishida chae lakini rende in the name of nyagosira. Ero otema kurusia borobori abwate. I've seen that sabanya umuntu akorera muno tumanya ngambwa mateki abwate ne nabanda.
Tamanye ndiro nyoyo.
Tamanye no yosirete. Lakini kwanyoranga igagocha oshikonyira makongo ari nera abwate bono ojoin. Ende bagatanga korabuna baromba gakora. Nero sokorera kuri kwanyoranga utoire mechanda abwate. But all in all emechanda ero nero nobody otabwati mechando. The Bible says actually nga muntu uri otabwati mechando no uri grave. Nero tamaiti kia korali nero otabwati mechando no mense. But as long as we are living, be it no egwe bintu byonse piense yiga. But still pako tu ari gentu gete go chandete asobo kama bwao. Gabono muntu tate banga achande gete mono kero muntu nabwati mechando, but it all depends on what type of mechando and how do you handle that. Ego
Lakini asa basaya abange ndoche abange ngo bori barenga baye gwasegete untako genda kegura kemo pero kenda utoke metinga basaya ngikia bere
abasaya they cry by the botuko especially young men botuko nkolera bale sana I want you to look at the way I think in the weekend don't tarara suicide. I think the cause of last week Jiarengo
already mbahitanete omugano noraiga banyarite ko oyo mumra osomusaya nyarite ko beto yo mwabo moyo watkanne ngana endemero
na beko nyarekana. So that's what I'm saying. Okonyoranga basaya bange they are losing hope in a way that they resort ko genda ko ebe kengori ko se gente que sinini ko ngoma sa ko gente que teiga. So boro with the tough economic times to bwata bonoiga igo yabire egente ke kon kwa sababu naro charia. I brought a conversation the other week, I think the last week part 1 nguboringa inki kyabera basaya batariko nyoma bone ekori yeto bonoiga bantu mbarire ko nyoma onyoranga eri gorio bumaria kongire era bweka ta konyara we sustain era bweka ta konyara bono chikorengera ringa chare to mondo kwara yaba umuchando gete takunyara go sustain in those ways. So I think we advise everybody to soft on our side. Yesterday we were talking about something of such. I think back at this point we say talk on no mabuna body. Na aro mai tempo go chakoba buororo. Barbonya mbono buororo in fact. Which was here na go chakoba abokomwake. Kwa sababu ensene gendeta komenta abantu bagenda kuiburu okuiburu uko ke budget yetoke. Vanunga binte bigenda te koskabosio. There's no way ibintu bira ya nuchi maiga. Yes.
Mbuya muno okikima abuga tutararigirire na inda yare asechi gazeti nimwate concern muntu ki obonete gutumika kenyu kiwotinde
wende gutumika kinyi gotarigent kibende gutumika the social lifestyle y'umuntu if you opt like it's like you're working kiwango cy'umuntu wende kunyikyamaru kiwango ngiye cyamaru
muntu wende tukunyumaru
but you see now the company can say a warning that if you are above 18 years it's your like to make a proper judgment in your life na ko make a decision that evenga nyamaru senti kunyamaru initially nga kwa above 18 you are not to be an adult. So kakule muntu yata kunyamaru I can respond from the perspective ya sheria atabenga muntu above 18 years and responding tabenga muntu taruality what mbero yobuya nyamaru and responding tabenga it's a personal decision kunyamaru muntu kunyamaru because ngaro motaka muntu kunyamaru ngasinja bacho nyingi it's a personal decision nga nchina bongonyo. See, Kermont Kunyamaru was introduced to a drink the alcohol no montonde at one given point. Kwa kwa te grupu kete kate. Kata ndakoni ki tokale. Montoro de nyumba mwa emambi kale bieka. Kata wanga tikanga ndeba ngure bianyu. That's my kind of thing ka veteka ke. So it's upon that individual chakre Kunyamaru deciding aki kunyunda mange usinyoma ke. But they say yes, about the ngamaru kanimbia your judgment kunyeta mangi. But yando nyolenga wakati banga marude na bwate rajesti kwende ni kama se kolomia Kenya. Tipali yaro lakini wakati banga na wala. But then we advocate for social life irendonge. Ana nturi kunya maruto nyanywa. Niko kunya onyanyu moderate. Yes.
Engana yagira na kwanireke abasaye ndaroche omusawo yomo wikire kerengo gitebe baka tumete abuga enkiranya ro kwanire ngiga baka no nyendagira teri guswa
zi
lakini kira ko wechuba yamaru te quality no enemy.
There's addiction yamaru which is a disaster like azumbiru kumuntu na bali ko make but the addiction can lead to death na bako gero because addiction comes with the body issues amarwaire you body now immune team bero gasa marwaire ko baloale teri ko babna elimo ndaigo nyamaru. So like kago gonyu the definitely the danger is na bako nyorobure wa bako kanga liver cirrhosis ekwende liver yao kunyole ko ekoera yake so ya affect the body functioning konyoranga na marwende kubali gukori konyoranga liago kuyako bekirense malaria wake na beko bekanse it can affect even the kidney na be affect amanyinga omubere. So at a point kana umuntu nga ndagira ya mosinyire oyobona election ya birembe it's either komadenga rehab at the stage ya rehab minister ya addiction as man rehab my recover from nowhere. The danger about the banga kwa to addiction it's not advisable to come once you reduce the quantities cha maroko to a point bakoji kotiga particular mondo bwata bongo boronge monda katinga bona kratika na bogotika that's the meaning of togotika one ta bogotika still we have so many cases here, we have success stories here and maru. But now the danger is that people ask themselves abakari abakoroba kanyule change nyingi but tiaka affect more. But you see now the product changa ya karosiri changa the raw materials changa chiarenge maybe fermented kwende kuma kilobo snowball is nyingi bwa fermented bwa rosintikeke busa you can get that product from busiri changa. It was a clean process. Like when I say kira bona iga they are chemicals what people are consuming in changa is not actually changa. Yalinge traditional drink ye catering ya bagaka. Cheti yalinge ya basa yalinge ya bagaka. Ande yakanyurwa during ceremony. Lakini bona iga basa bakunywa changa muntu aenda utirinywe coffee. That's the danger with it. What we to maintain the system nga bona changa tikebe traditional drink ikonywebu in specific chimiga get. Like mwaka bona nyolenga chinyanga che December. Amre bakanda iburu December. Na changa yakanyura. Like bona mwaka mugima ande mutu mugete mwanya ku prepare ngana. Ni mwanye busa yoka. Ali ne busa tabwati en big impact. Akibona na kwa bold ende abasaya bange banyinyuwa. And then the danger again is montonyo changa omix na maru ali badanga third generation kira kolje ojo beka kubei mun okora nyonya sora kira kola no nyesi gara bunga anyesi gale emontindoki but still Bionze and I'm very correct. The danger is that to sustain this lifestyle as abasaya bonga na kom mosa okonye maru mangi kulata ndanywa maru taragira kana nyore ndagira mo igende ka montamo kurre. So you can imagine the danger you monto buno you abwata somo beroy. But it's advisable that basaba saa tutige binyungwa. Korani tebwa kwa nyuri. Tonyi to addiction. Moderately kale binde birago chengo muno bugwaho.
Bien. Manyete ego yare ngomusae mwemeka yao. Na bachite amaikaranso ko wendagira. Ndagirerie akabatafata ige kamusinya akasikia nsemo. Akaiwe kenyuwa ikyo after 10 minutes iga onyo kuolisi.
So number one, binge our influence mostly chitabi chetu ne chimbwa chetu. I think chitabi na chibado chimbwa yochiko influenced by friends. Muntu toko mo kari moiga otebe nganko ndoro kore ngentwete. You could have seen it somewhere. Peer pressure, you have seen someone doing. Na nanjira lero to weso ka abantu abange it's from the western world. Including injira to weso kenjira to kolengereli injira to kole bintu we katore under influence of someone. So as a kenyuwa you cannot wake up otebe ngabono kwa ndore. You must have been having an influence from a friend. Kare amaru na rengo unabone changir the local lika maitigo ya renge very natural erosiri in a way that no muntu no kar ko nyubu nabona bagaka baje bakoro iyendo yara kuba sustainably koragera barenge na ande chindagera chitabwata mafuta mandi chindagera chali everything was natural. So that's why na ndemba bwate procedure someone could drink kama itenga na ragere techikorki techikungira lakini yabono abuga na teba about the third generation amaruge tachire as everything as the world is changing, everything is changing kire gentonya kwa advance kire kwa nyoranga igabwa the chemical
avere jemo
abwa the chemical gete arosirwe njera gete korwabo chindagera cyuka abantu bakori rero abantu muri banjete junk foods abantu muri nane ndagera umuntu akori still nero nabekoba part of the era changire maybe umuntu anda bande bakunye in excess chindagera umuntu nabakori na alienke lakini still ndagera yenyene ne bwato mu cyane so kwa mana konyoranga na ki eko twara effect yembe uche sabasa especially bali bagutumia manya bono oyo inga kwata balende nere enda asendagera maite it all depends on appetite yo muntu and at what extent umuntu anure kinyuwe kiga ikibwata addiction gusenaro addiction ne naro muntu no ringa ta komenya without bono na bora nyore ngomuntu oyo ngota balenga kubusia lock na bora nyore konyara taranyora kwerende kiga anyu that's why maybe atatu alitendage lakini Matilda you can look at our country bono iga the rate atabasa bakonywera amaru igeregoro and very irresponsible taribasa bamura taribasa baiseki on singo tumia bale including no nyane weed smoking kwerende totabe mote guotenyo gusenya sora tali to watabanga bona ga mwana mumura na bana baiseki they are doing it it cuts across. I don't know, is it because of frustration abantu bakora igo bakonyuko just to pass time or say ningi kiabere nande in the future this generation nabura nyora ngumuchana nora because kende nkeje nse yokora Ketabu triggers. Choices have consequences. If you are drinking today in excess, if you are doing it, wasene nyasore era ngonya gotengiro bongo bwao. That's why nkora akirwa ngega tengi bongo. Because to an excess, logical reason even via logical angle via comment judgments here. That's why we have a lot of failed marriages because of this issue of excess use of drug. Again, tongera kwa bodi nke wango ki umuntu abone to tumaka kiridia ikire muga kanaro ya mumo sana ona sana akanda bya na bona to tinga kyo daraja kai. You see, when you are at 18 nalikuwa vero muntu manura make judgment, so it's a personal decision. Sometimes it's good, it all depends at what extent and how do you handle that. You go and take after work or remember, because say before Tarakora,
na kiemeremo yao.
Na kiemeremo yao. And by the way, they cannot do without. We kabeke amanya ko kolega siaebi. Na aro erega ko beka litukeita kore tako genda kasi. So in one way, go kostire amagima yabana. But what I'm trying to tell the young people like me, kindly please, tema sana, if you are taking it to moderate na after work koraganto gete na ando nyogo drachaka na bogo
ando nyogo kanyara wa Ford koigura arianga maya ange usapi merewa watu
tuma tin maya narali because I like some experience actually on that. Lakini rende let us avoid and do something constructive. Economy already here very favorable asset and are very expensive. Abantu batagete abasaya batatu ko yanywa are very expensive and konyo level se yugo tumeka ya bere ga ebimere meme kon. That's why konyo abantu bakoenda bakora some illegal things so sebi bitabwana rati egere banyo level se yugo tumeka amario ga yaiga.
Matilda, when Kenya started the campaign to reduce the cases the rates HIV/AIDS in this country, people were coming from offices, already meeting in hotels, anti-HIV campaigns. The stigma was going higher because the right people mbaling kukwane. The people were HIV mbaling kukwane. Same finance HIV mbaling kukwane. Now the danger with the fight against alcohol is that the Torahs like some, they are fighting Amaru, but the really people were going to You see now, why do you want to get a pastor? Akanya kwenye maru, aje kwa na maru, the pulpit. Nasa kwa na pulpit, tuke mondo kanze mena, no Kristo. So how do you stop this character? No, na ntonyi bana maru, I want andika kanza ime. Paso kwa kanza ime, baka na nyumura baka babanyweta banga banyweta maru. What is the right forum you come and baka nyumura batenga ya maru na mafi.
Kwa yende ba.
Yes. Let's have the success stories and that and want to be reformed to go nyamaru. To let's kazi idea yo kwa na baka nyoma bade nyoma but ono kwa gende buy me, you know, it's easier kande buy monyo muntu boli friend yanga ki to gorande bia ya madinga nje na tigake mato muntu akwe boli to ko boli nganje ki ya tigaka ni tiganyure ya moyoka that we kiro muntu ande gig again same case ne kanisa, you see it's in the church in pastor ko ndia ba tingwani chia we batato ka ba torika but you know there are churches tinyinga no bantu bako nyamaru paka those in the church leadership bako nyamaru. It's a way ngakitoko kwa the process yo kwa na bantu bako nyamaru but then and manyiga a good population bako nyamaru one is the youth no bako nyamaru.
Yes,
nyabali chibai bako nyamaru no bako nyitsange binyorimi so ngo kwakwanera and koma kwebori what could be the reason why umumurole nkali kinyo akoenda mara babonye changase umutsikiti kwa basi ngabanda banyomaru. There must have been a reason the family social fabric ya butukirete yo. So monde okwane ro yonde. Kwanye romo sae ataga mberize. So isatakuwa TSA. Isatakuwa nje nansi nyete na mutiganire. Matuko make yo musawo yo onyo monyo rabana. Arabanza kunyamaru. So the chain ya gendere for a long time. Kaikira bana ya kwame somewhere. But then our pastor tikabatike kurandi figuro ya maru kanisa hii. Tebaso kisko kai. I like what one of my friends, Father Lawrence Nyanga. Lawrence Nyanga is a representative of Nakada, as Nyanza region. He was the chaplain in Kisii University. Akachakwa transferred to I think Masimba Parish. He has been coming out openly in his attire, priesthood. Also, aya sama ruwa koro so kindu kek ochiko kanya anto banyo maru ose bate koro sia maru but then at one point some people felt like ngo interview ne biashara gete kiaza kia koro sibe the fund unless the car I didn't know it could have been the reason why I was transferred to Masimba Parish. Because the truth be told, biashara ya maru not even in Ugusi region but since I'm in Kenya ndibala sibela sana. Sika ndio mabe class ya kama iga akon was a name kirango kina thingira lingo sen 30 bob 15 shillings. When ya class ya kama iga they would call back ngachi 30 sato. It's almost 100 shillings. So imagine kwenda 20 tans chechanga so zile ngo round. It's a business monteko kenda code. Hawe cash bill ya maru usobate kozi ya changa. Hawe cash bill akole code kali more than 30 minutes.
Ngwa kana vale.
Tibesa
ngonyora.
I want to look at how biashara ya maru biko be a driver in the economy. Look at the number of metungi 100 liters, 200 liters. Irenga kon even outside our offices iga. Chika chikwe metungi nzao na daily basis.
Wasinyo metungi enga yewe na gusiembule watulio.
This story iga it's very 50 feet by 70 feet. Take a store metungi denso kaduka nechitrera. So you ask yourself, ndigo cha yaguru. Kusikula bantu bakora metungi zega. Bako le bikombe sana. Nechi beze. Keregari. Yes. Koma ko boli metungi count commander ya kisi na bazigari bako bawo atakira litu. After 2 weeks, alikuwa na same metungi big. So then biashara we take it root in this region by the mono. Not even only in Kisi no in Nairobi and it's other parts of the country. So to stop maru is not require mu pasta in the Quran. You cannot come no mu pasta ko na limon to korosia maru matiati ko korosia maru. Kia ne biashara ali. Na venga motenga wono tige biashara biyo ka kendo.
Na bantu batige ko genda ro ti customer chike.
Customer njiko ka. Actually customer maru chike ndo comment.
Nando nyurenga nonye abantu mbare by the way there are some people confessing amarua na ara basometi abasubati abange they will tell you na amaruba wanete bagasomblia abana babo so you try to reason with them like ne biashara gete people at chibesa abantu basome. There is a certain pastor, a good friend of mine, who confesses and says na amaruwa nsometi amana ara rekoni nkonyu arenge no enere lakini to a point like agasoma akabarende na bensere. That is where we are on abamangana rebel.
Mbia mwana sana na voigo toko chastinsemo yechi gazeti ritukuria lero ndo chobuna bonde gazeti ya The Standard ringana linene gotabona the big con okwandira omu inspector general oyore omukonyi omu inspector general of police manyakanete buna Eliud Lagat ekere ko tabonga integrity issues ne abekorokana muna obu maene tibo kore iria iga asengana ya yogo step aside nigo nande mienda ekira tukuririga orobote nande roro kiruna Eliud Lagat taringa nigo nyari tego skense mo erindo botuki bokorekane egentu kiare ngaroro ngakonyo sabire level ya motuko 15 na 3 timetinga obumai ngobwena nteko egene ekiagira korengana nogo sira kwae kose kubatka nogo sira kwae Albert Ojwang nigo oyoiga oyore omukonyi bomonna bwabanyanyimbo Eliud Lagat uyo kagire ko banere omuntu motangane kigemo gose omuntu ovene ase bali barenge babonete ko borigwa igoro yo gusira kwa Ojwang korende akanyara goskensemo erinde obotuki obokorekane korende nigo bono roboti rokorokia una ere nigo anyarete ngakonyora nigo asabire leave korwa semiremo gose omutimo komoke korwa semiremo romi ematuko ikomi na tano na tatu mugano yo se page ya kane gazeti ya The Standard.
I think that was tactical because toberanga technical in the name of a leave egere pressure to batakete ko keli kurwa sabantu barakotabanga maybe a resign or say a resign. Yeah, people wanted a resign on ekabanga tiga step aside through the leave whichever the way I chete no korake pressure chiricha kurwa se public. But all in all, me I maintain whatever Eliud Lagat, whether he was involved directly or even indirectly, so kwa Albert Ojwang, gotomanyata sense kwa tirichiko na montaneva ka wasete igantongere ngorate banga igare innocent until proven guilty. Nense bwateri chiko tubwateri chiko liense ya Kenya ligotabanga umuntu ne bogosire lazima lichiko libwatigu nande aya gulibaga nera ateme kwegerera kwekerekerengo maybe judge gose bari abana chebina batabanga ya bono amangana abere naiga gose umuntu na guilty or not. So even if Eliud Lagat was among the people who were suspected ko twara ko jase ko Albert Ojwang, to me it was just a tactical way yo kora kai pressure chia bantu egere bona mangana manya ko gen lakini rende we are hoping that much as Albert Ojwang you tinde kirwe lakini justice rende never served in a manner that at least nera kara ira sarai ya nyar kananga justice wanyol.
Meeting ya buke usenko wata commenta sense yo kero enseme yo to kwanra mangana integrity ose integrity issues.
Tuma issue na integrity na Lagat. Because I remember kero Albert Ojwang Akwete, there was a debate even in social media, even among the leadership of this country, how the Lagat should step aside, allow for investigations, which he did. But you see now, ekesongo kwana ngibikeni ya sawa. Sama kwa ngibikeni kian. I remember Kristo kero tonya the press statement ya Lagat ko step aside to argue in a to digital space on what language yango tumira ko break the information that what's audience here. Then you were like, can you say he has resigned or say I step aside? Those are two different things. Then some of the media houses Chiarike or resigned. Actually, it was breaking news in one of the media houses at the bank or resigned. Come the year from Dribitwan, I step aside to allow for investigations. You see, he even explained which is paragraph. Let me step aside to a point time investigating incident Albert Ojwang. Now, 2 months later, almost 2.5 months later, someone has gone to court. One of the activists who filed a petition in court. Kotabanga stepping aside is equivalent to resign. Lagat we responded to when they have left my stepping aside was a allocated boss here, the IG. Let me go home for some period for investigation. So things signed. But you see what even comes to my mind is that somebody might the right procedure yoko, you are called for investigations. We have even seen even some other bodies. Even our body media council. Even Nabako incident give us time to investigate the conduct. Then after some few days, they'll give you a response to investigations. Some Nabata Magos, Abgata Magos. I have one, lose your identity as a member of the Media Council of Kenya. Same case na credible Nebwate, we will steer how they can investigate. It could be moral for someone to go to court or not sign it on the grounds was mentioned. Was never complained on the death of Albert Ojwang, which are going to quiet. So I don't know, the court will decide. But it's immoral for what we are undergoing as a country that some more correct Indians check the time in the court. Just because some is holding a key position in the country. Then like what are we telling the generation of Okina? Okina was a junior police officer or a deputy IG. Will you be facing the same consequences? Anything happens, Mondomino court or fire Kina, what will be happening? As we speak one nigga, like God is earning basic salary. So and again so but he's still earning. Now what official cast here? It's a question of moral, brain moral, like what is the right thing in our country to keep a country again. Yes. And you see now, what we are undergoing is that the current IG, I think he has less than 1 year to go. Let the country be able to have succession in the proper. Taking Gakigete, Anyarenga, there is no deputy judge will succeed the current IG, and then go talk. Because we have less than 2 years. What we are seeing is a tactic like when you go through a process in this country, then anarchy towards Chikura. Yes.
Na as the EPG Kabere, igehotebana residents cry fall as a commercial grazing threatens a critical forest. nigyo egukwanira ase chi ebisaku biri bibwate Shombe gose tugo yokolise nekero pono yarorekane buna chinsana nchira roche ngenjo chachakire kusagano ase nchira yokolise ekira abantu bono bachakire koligia ase bakoera chombe chabo endagira gose si chombe chikonyora li bagali yokolise pono bachakire kosoana na chinsana chengenjo ase chinse mogete anamono kro ase chinsemo cha Eldoret mwancho muligere nabo igo Masai Mara nigo yabeire entanga niko senigere egati ye chinsemo chiri chanyare kuligere igo na nige chiri chingenjo mono ase ensenge makire go tabanga Masai Mara listed extraordinary global records for annual spectacle reserve listed in the World Records book as world's greatest annual terrestrial wildlife migration. Koromotinyo o katano na kabiri wikomotinyo ikomi nigo obono korokana nga ase game reserve yiga ya Masai Mara kosense yiga yokwego ke yobotaria nigo ekorokana nigo chingiti choro sana chetaneti emilioni yemo chikoba chikonganya ko chikorokana chikonganya koromotinyi o gatano na kabiri wika omotinyi o ikomi ekirego tabana agose korokana wild beast migration ko kero ya rekare muna Masai Mara niko yabeire ere yabene kema ase ensemo yobotari ase ense engime kyagera niko ekoreta gose ekogera abantu abange bali banchito botari banyara akwegokia na epiji gatano narimo egotebanga Ruto's blame game on protests and alleged sponsors of violence. President accuses parents of not bringing up their children properly. He says the youth engaging in protests need guidance. Muraiwense maskiula Ruto nigobono anyalire kuboria abaibori batende bokobo asukubegeria abana babo chimbwa chire chindonge bunenchire yamo yogotanga amabe ayega agenderete kwenekiwa asense ya Kenya sa matuko Boangoiga na sensemo yende pate bicha ya Mosque Raila Odinga to stagger polls or not, a debate rages on format. Experts urge spaced out elections to ease IEBC's logistical burden. Critics warn staggered polls may increase costs and political tension. Nga bondo ekiro ya rekanire obongora kose inchiraniro gotongora kwobochori kwabire kokone kiwa ase chinsemo oime yense ya Kenya ni gobono abange kose bare baho korobutuki nabo igobwatu bumanyasa mangana siasa bagoteba eiga nabo era abasagokine rigori ryo gwakachukura sense ya Kenya na se chinsemo chinde koleta kokendra commentary birira ryage siasa ase oburai na boigo Wandai tupate mwaziri wa mangana energy Mosque Opiyo Wandai agotebana defense fuel prices as questions raised on import deals. Timete mienda ase mangana tokolire fuel prices inchiraki ekero omwaziri ebo mangana energy gose energy CS Mosque Opiyo Wandai akwegere engana yo comment kana kwa rigoririe petrol awatanga CS admits high taxation to blame for high fuel prices compared to other East Africa countries. MP say 2023 oil deal with a few importers has not cushioned Kenyans enough. Nga ahongana kire bango ya chirigoro nga kiro kende nero ya irire rigori ria petrol gokina.
Mate rigori ria kire gento ni gata gokina lakini mostly ni kurwa se epe amafuta. Kero amafuta kinde now that everything ningo tumeka kera amafuta onyoranga rigori ringo kina rire. You see I think the Kenya Kwanza government ni what the experts bonoiga awamate to manage economy. I think the donation they got from ODM, as we were told, what experts, but the good thing experts in the ODM side, you see some of the things chagate agents say okorobekana na mangana ye budget you are korawa na bantu kurwa sense mo ye budget at least kurase Kenya Kwanza government and then abantu bakaenda korobekana including the CS of Onaiga no bari kupinga budget ya rengo at that point mba get no remember about the no and yes one no more even sakaranga ya koranga banta bagata no you have an idea of maybe how the economy will be run. And to his wonderful brother from the Azimio side, Kamaterendo Mugaka, one on the experts. Actually, as a ministry, Chia Watomo Chando, Chia Gatabanto Wakaenda, Samandamano, Agatweka, the experts from from ODM, MCS Treasury. After people are complaining about the issue of stima, Kenya Power, Opio Wandai Noari, the blue economy, Joho Noari, the other guy who complain about the hustler fund. They are the ones who even could stand in the platforms, whatever. Pantomba can hustler fund. In chayo mora even sa rule. Rero igano para nyore. At that point, na arabaga tabanga, including even on to wakana maybe shy out there. So aseme chando ya rengi, babaga donate experts. And I think the economy is coming up now that we have the experts. I think Buga, we shall do a story how far the experts have gone. It is now almost all year. What did they donate? What did they donate? What is the progress? These experts in the government, what have they donated? But all in all, Matilda Namagoriye kwendena akina anda bona ega emeremene Opio Wandai abwate and other CSS bali ba bete donated no gotema ko tetea serikali ya Kenya Kwanza weteranga keregento korekana na kibagwente ko tetea. I remember even before the CS of Treasury saw me budget, he could come live and tell people ya kintu ko tax mono. Are you seeing? Tax yani in a persuasive way, but they have a Kenya bunch and whatever that is happening. So it's just in a way defending the issue of Amaftago Kina, the legal Lydia Liobogema, Wetra Samafta. Lakini I want to imagine if Opio Wandai and Mbadi Abanagwa Bandwaring best in debates, what could have they said on the other side of the regime, Azimio Bond? What could have they said? You could tell Paka who criticize, because in this country we have a tendency on your college rekali, anything that the government does, whether it's good or not good, I know it, we go there with all your force. Lakini keroro the other side, you can even tell the majority of the MPs in ODM, go back to Bangabono, Muraiwense, como. Era gatete Muraibo, Kiamagio, Diamata Bangabono, into Tuaras, Nino, Kenya Kwanza, Bono, Tikatoka and the Chigai. You see, still not about Chakakwaj why they are not even supporting the president. So there's a kind of. It depends on the other side. So we go to there. Lioro, Lionya Toyo, Ligonga, and taking Kirkia.
Lakini kira ororo ncherende onsi wakamoro sirieta.
That's more serious. When Karukuri Linchera Peter Kaluma Opane or President William Ruto, talk imagining that this is the same Kaluma, you were part of the team that was opposing the president, including Babo, Ali Hassan Joho. Okay, is that day at everything. Boki, there's no way era nyore akole mirimo na almost Kimbora wins. Lakini karabo ligo alikaranga is inventing. What did he say? No monto moriwe kotere koreki. Kotere change birenge. So anything is possible in Kenya. Kenya they say anything is possible.
What a possibility.
What is a country of possibilities.
Rather than at the dance of a madman in the street.
Eko wafani asema ndo ndobwensi.
But with until no more you.
Kuna hocha sava iri.
The local community has suffered, Baumile for a long time. Even development when you go mundaka was para 3 kilometers. Yarokana kwa a miracle get a dream as a community. But the wireless abantu from other communities be enjoy this part and package ne chibekira and bakwa chibando.
Abantu bakurija etu.
Yes, bakwa nge chibando. So tikabanya go dance, but they dance for now. But then the bad for what Mbadi is defending and that go defend. For me it's their right for life. Tiwa na chibando. What was the last time Munda got the bandera as a go to Yoma become? maybe yes because the governor bakora etakuwa team nini because the governor tubeke bani usabe keka ni kwa number plate 45 nini ya kisi count doesn't make sense ono kwa invading nga tika bone bindaga kora from because from mabe tika bindaga kora because they have to support the young president 2027. Are you assured of that? Now let me ask you a simple question. Mbadi atakapo ni kwa minister for finance as a campaign raira for president 2027. Ndia beneficial to him. Obviously yes for finance or treasury from now mpaka 2027. Alternatively, in case tutaizo kwa chukura, he might retain him. So no mondo rigerete how much is the salary for a member of parliament? Kama ndengati ke bona iga ngakanye nkiso laka tanga tokanyira tozanira mukama muno taramura. But as a few days to require as a cabinet secretary at to omire for a long time. To omire.
Nanya injendo chenga bona ngego bo waziri na bongo itabu.
Let them enjoy it. Kwanza kwa tenga bona nini. It will not make sense. Somebody asked a simple question. Kaluma asked a simple question. Eka youth bali ngo itekera maandamano yango na maandamano. It was a ngaba kila basakrichi chilelwe Nairobi. Ngango salibalenga. Lakini bona bakusamba kati police station bakuta tababeru. Babu watu. No, because babu is a different spirit age youth. Abandi barabu mbalenge youth. Naba umie for a long time. Njiteba ataraji bandera bara injiyo ngwa. Bara usipana barabu.
Ungana nayo nyore eri pagabuneri.
Ngakingoli yanka. Ainoli yanka. Montaka tengo kanyere. But was a member of parliament. Aleng elected by the was nominated.
So yeah, he was nominated.
The benefits that angonyo as a member of parliament. No NCDF talengo manage Kendigons. He was just waiting in Nairobi. Otanega ya oikabua oirana actually no marriage tabuate. Because as telling when could represent human beings other than being a member of parliament in Nairobi. So one almost yes about the conference more than 5.
Security is assured.
One nigga na bako enda tebenga torosi the budget pale kusama mpaka somewhere mpaka eroso na ndiarosi. What other communities have been enjoying for the last 40 years?
Yeah.
Yes.
They have been in opposition for long.
Yes. Toto kama denga kwa serikali ngati kopeka meeting Nairobi sana hotel ngwako banga ere na beta ira week 60 ya 2027. I got to week 60 here. Then I'm going.
Had times overtaxed Kenyan working class want to protest. They will express their displeasure at the ballot. Ngabono abakenya bali bakora emirimo ande babere bakurusiwe bango gose bawumete ne bango yiga ye serikali barabuti bakurubikana. Kurende niko barachi koro kia ugotago kio kwa bana serikali yiga ekero litukuri gwake guratimire mienda ose obo mahembo raiga na overtaxed Kenyan working class won't protest. They will express their displeasure at the ballot.
As for now, I think the only way we can exercise our democratic rights, although feeling maybe the government of the day is not working, actually is through the ballot 2027. Maandamano naro noake liogi. At the end of the day, the Kenya Kwanza Nere is part of the government. And as I said earlier, we still have the experts from the ODM side. The broad-based, let me say now, on the serikali broad-based. Enchira yoka, montora exercise your democratic rights. As a one, no kubate kura oganyere 2027. If you feel that the government of the day is not working, then really you think era chiko kwanya kuchikosia. But you see, Matilda, again, umaite emechande Kenya tuwate bono iga, emechande ya chagete kare. It's only that we need to take harsh steps. Maybe to again, for now, even if we have a different regime come 2027, still we found out thing. Na bengi bono umochigete a setup, get a foundation, get the arenge. Even if you change the people to come in that home, onyo muchando koro, muchando noro. It doesn't matter who is there. Muchando no korte kinoro. But one has to work at one ngora maybe policies. Ichiranyara ko koro muchando. Perhaps that's what is now important. Whoever who will come in 2027, we have a problem. Have we as Kenyans tried to know in Kyomo Chandori the bottom line?
Ekyo anakio kebona tukora alikiro litagani abuga kora asensemo yao tinga inkiora nyare gukwanira igoro igengana iyo kore no mancho murigire tokoragenda umutima komoke asengana iyo tukwira na tunyare kugendera
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chekuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba chekuya mandege
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangam na photography videography live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Christmas number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangam na photography videography live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Christmas number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038. Egoki nimirulu ao ya Tembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia. Egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas samonogo chingira kumwako muya. Iduwego nimirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Momogusie.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu bono savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibaliensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibwatanine wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyonyore obukureri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obasemigoro y'obutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon buna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans, na boigochi advance loans. Boigon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments. Kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya. Asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik. Siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190. Kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kuna financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within Gusii wanaintu torono konyo Gusii soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosebwa ase sake ese wali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na Gusii yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche 2023 mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutarire rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na buigo ayo orakoberwa kasure asobwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom buigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere.
Karibu sana na inde tunyara kugendera imbe yo murubirio igabwetwa ni agetembe ekiro twari kikumurikira nararia ari ase gazeti no kuibona rari agendete gutubwaterania intwe buna omwanya getingi kira bono twatigere nere Erika Abuga koranga miyenda ere ase bitango bitarengi kunyara ya gotangeka titware kunyara gotago kenere gosentware kunyara wikanere tinsa inye chia mambi korende aiga ase studio ningendere tenere Erika Abuga. Emergency ningi.
Kenya go translate emergency but again to kimu kwa sakano. Kile kita attention yo mondo.
Omaito mwarimu naroga tutefiri. Na kiningi yo kiragere. Omuntu nyako tutebe buna bono no nyase chi school. Batebunga ogosoko lecture yakubolinga ningi. Usene simu yako chikoimbo ke usere omuntu wakere simu mawaso ko chuko kwano kubolinga emergency services yo
mate kari ya boli miyenda nga muntu kwa
kari mate ikine ke ente kitaga ni giacha ubungu boy
kari mate nga simu yako abantu bakora simu kwa mute nyabango wakere konyora kamunda wakere kwa finya akira abantu bana bakora simu mimi sine
enkoro ya tu mama no
te atu ne girlfriend ya wake no wake kikonya kama mimi na wake 3 minutos kwa emergency kwa nje mwake mambi lakini na alipale mojini kaja wake kwa mnyako buguli simu ni ndako rangeri ngatandoria matumbo takenegene
lakini asabono omo robelero no genderete kumanchu murgechi sema cha Facebook YouTube kendra kwa 90 Buga Eric kwenye toitere ayarenge ase gazeti ya The Standard yeri tuko riarero.
Akisari mangana mangari gazeti ya Standard Nation akora weekend but gazeti ya Nation yabwate pull out sasa section gete ime ikocha kale tukolia Wednesday kunga parenting. Parenting yesto ni rangi ya sana likiri one of my former senior editor ungaira Mseda. Mseda kwa yunga abantu abange bakire myaka mikoro bamete boka mbabwati bachukuru mbabwati muntu kubakonya ngasi the nonsense nga parenting ya kule in this country like the issue ya abantu abange bamwire ku grow what you call child free nga mrete konyora bana amante banga issue ya ndara story nelinga fertility let's chere as a country ya chire sana 1989 yaringa 6.7 I think kumwako nyali abange betu ngo chikoibole tu akademia keyo nga from 6.7 1989 that's on average nga kero mo boli anga nyora abana between 6 to 7 but boniga igere 0.4 3 to 4 tika mo ndacheta abana abange pi batatu 7 bono ga 3.4 ene survey called na United Nations and then the UNFPA 225 state of world population, the real fertility crisis in the world. Crisis kiabele kebe. Abantu bange they are giving a story yo family ya mebwate miaka 58 babato mwana ya mumura. Mwana mumura is 37 rata kata iko nyoma. Watango child have a flexible mabwaye atwana financial stability. Nganya chivest yakali bintu bya biyeka. Wana tati konyo Ona the worry about baneringa traditionally ya lengenga okonyoma wasandu parenthood
kogendete kuligenga
talala libo kwa magokina kwa umonto mogoto ona the pride yo monto mogoto kera kwa kwa biro mo an elder
abana
na bachukuru bao na bachukuru bali naye wakibona trend ya Kenya bona iga it's a worrying trend. But then there is a shifting social norms. ichibabo producer kariri bagotoka ime matagete konyoma mbaye machuko mwandansi atenga rakine nyaji bestia anyi whisk ainde garengia amenya gutia
ukwana ro mo director ndongwana kariri kariri gento naro chabwate nabwate concern gitabo tebana ki kero kende chinga kibune chige kero chaba saiba wa wanakipitia te chike chinga kiririo monta habitualire abiokire acha kubekero nga ngana bwato mwana
madembe yobekero mwana nga kwa mwana as much as that being child free ni ngako some kind of freedom but the African culture needing a generation again. What will happen with this kind of the youth and probably between 25 to even 35 and 45, rather they want to go child free. Now what will happen in the next generation? You know, again I can take a ski somewhere in Siaya, some years back, to aggregate issues HIV/AIDS. There's some process in Siaya, you find our whole family has been wiped out because of either natural attrition or say medical grounds, accident. And then that community never that culture family into your back wakacha chimberamo. Konya like chimba chaka chimasho na chibunga ro chinge chaka but within those compounds need to grave joke. That's the pain you cut deep into a family setup that the entire family has gone. Kenenge. I don't know osene is it the thing thinking akeveke but in most cases your family chinyinge nyoro mwana ibo yom. Abana baba nyoro they die in unclear circumstances. Accident, for your person mundo chiri. Then people become remorseful and alcohol mwana ya movie nini. Then come get the family, kuna family wata basikebane. You know there's a belief in the African culture kare family watu mwana mumura. There's that continue the generation. Mbone gabe boli banze kole manga na bongo nyoma museke ananyoro mwana yaneka. Anyoro mwana mumura to mwempreza ze omwana pomochi. Now, kwanya mwana muroyomo, abaspat bane banyomo tero mwana muroyomo. God forbid something happens okwa. Kwanya mubuli akolera, akolera mpaka basande batukolia matanga nga muroje na tigete mbusurande. Ose nanya mwana asekete nini. As much as Rwanda Matilda nga marriage they were filed because of harsh economic times to the country the social shifting, norms shifting, there's more nini. The African culture invented asobogi maboito nelinga ogokina and school some viega onyoma viega olendo the family. That's the African culture. Ngeke change. But when I say the women in this story about kwagiunga bano babiro bakong the harsh economic times as a country never seen the right partner. Correct. When you the right partner, they are single moms is clear, they are single parenting, very school guy. But what happened na some are even in leadership positions in the country. Banya they work country. So it's upon you na director career. When you lenga mo sustain momentum so ko chita cha getenga okonyoma ne ndike important.
Kero monta tranya lete pia engia okara.
Kenya sana kwa therapy yao. Nakata banga nkemo tena tongre tu montoi. There's no way nyasata kwa tsagumbe. Utara iboru nyasana mantengo chikuberu kwa lengi. So nyasana akato montogo. Neli maybe tabi osechinga kiteraika. Chiko kutanisha no monto. Yatanga kibono twabire gente. Kichipasa kwa nyenga batanga. Bono ngomo kungu naru muabo analia anyo no musacha. Abe mobegente kam moboko Adanga mpaka makoria tuatana. Wanta bala tukunyo makurita la batana. Tabichi abo chobegete.
Tabichi kubatana.
Batana. This story nere ya Adrian ya nation yakatebanga UDA. Big singa bago protect from the party. Nzima begete nyali member of parliament, Kiar member of parliament, Ndidi Nyoro, Mogusinara Nyamukono Mogrango.
Yes.
Na bonero na form party ya bateba. Troli yere ba moseli. Na njeni kiramba mbwata mwiso neso. Na wa separate
bana.
Ama tena so me post getenga nga siasa bana ngasi ki take ti emotions take tobongo. Kama ndaka tenga kaza wa mnyoro kwa boli ngikoligyo. Kira kwa so kama digest kwa rengere. It's really interesting. Karango join the media industry there was a ketoka training there was a senior editor at that time called Doro Tukweyu. Doro Tukweyu is a mom to 9 children. Mwana yoyo omogo igachete country chia Saudi Arabia some 13-14 years ago. Chikorikie gas. By the time kerako gendoro ayengo bufunga konyora legacy yae akunga Steven Munyako. Konyora legacy is the first born son ya Doro Tukweyu who was working in the media for a long time. So mwana yakaenda Saudi Arabia kuchikorikie gas. He was only 37 years old. Chikorikie gas. But legacy but there was an altercation ne korigi ya gas bakarwane segi akanyoro yonde kago sirio bogima. Mu Saudi Arabia kago sirio bogima. So agasibu for 5 years. But the family ya Makade Sware yo bakasi bakakombe batebange judgment yale ngani fair. Then baadaye Steve Munyaka akachakasi akapa convicted for having killed umuro yo ndekoriki yae. So akasifu life sentence. But friends baka form a committee in Kenya bakanyanga brings back Steve to Kenya, a campaign committee. So for at least 14 years abero bago fight Steve Nyanuka. So finally ngoya na lego cha Kenya.
Chibese cha changiru chisaine.
I think after they found a way over the court for 14 years, maybe the court became abandoned. So bakamoteba tenga bona enda Queen. So just yesterday Musonde Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Korir Sing'oei atabanga finally Saudi Arabia but then go release barego cha Kenya after 14 years. Now he was 37 years old. Kiragosi is coming at 51 years.
Obero mugaka.
Indeshwa gocha. Obere sokoro. Actually the estate in Nairobi chia tarengo. Pona chia develop. For monto weta 14 years in Kenya. Weta sa kitengere ya Lenge Forest. Mona ya bere a major town, a major estate. So the son is coming back. The mom says it was a mission impossible, but now it's a mission possible for his son to come back. But taken to Kianga Kingelinga, when Steve Munyako left this country, so one of the first-born child is 31, second-born is 29, third-born is 25. But in Barukuanera Mokungoga, I don't know.
Igo nobu yaboko chaka abantu chaka nkamope machinga kichinde gose.
So that means kero umura chiaru te Kenya kagenda, he was 37 years kragosi. That means mwana kunyo abana baba.
Ba muravire.
So what am I imagining this life wasted. So nyendi atike to Saudi Arabia that time nyendi atike to again could have made a big impact as a community. So I'm happy that one of my former bosses, Joe Noalega, we have to get Steve back to the country. Because they have done a good job, he will be back. But taking Tonga here, student teacher, one about cancer patients, na payment ya SHA. That they are saying drugs are going up to 500,000. But what they are being given in terms of SHA payment, it's below 200,000. Whether they need more money, as you and NHIV angry will approve. I mean, SHA angry will approve. The same payment, Kebangwa Canada, NHIV, it was young quality 600,000. I give one equate 400,000, a reduction of almost 200,000. It still costs Amariogo. In a month, they spend close to 90,000 as a Amariogo, a cancer. So now we're and red. So now they got Deputy IG. I think it discussed from the city standard. Kina Quebec recorded a petition. They are saying he resigned, he not step aside. The interesting story the guy kama tila ya protesters ko record ni charges ya terrorism.
Yes.
Terrorism and the bank sana wakubuatu. But the discussion they want to go even the media was needing. At what level Mondo could report for charges of terrorism? Because the Terrorism Act ya 2012 nko stipulated what kiwenda cover pako Mondo for terrorism. But then I asked myself a question. How about the police station? A crime kiwenda go vekiru. It's attempted demand because already abantu members of police. So assuming like one about a key central position, you get a single structure. As a called almost yes, what the holding cells chia basi nini. Unandonya sambe ngiko tika. Nothing, never. kiane building ya myo the other building ile gari naga kaitari kete kale gari so sio sambi tenga process tinda sali kando na chio vestire kando lakini ya kisi central kike bwate eseri nwere o vestire
no bwata ina
usikonya samba like a day mandamano it means ngusambula abantu tseri mali so by God's grace ngabanta kwenda chandi cha zambiri chons picha zambiri across the country police station mafungwa Monteyo onyoleka kutoka ime usamba so my question could be abantu abakosama ka babwatira wanafaa kushtakiwa na nini on terrorism could it be attempted murder anyway the courts will decide. So those are story Gaiga, I think it's a script from interview last week.
Yes.
I think I did not benefit from the handshake deal. I got dismissed the handshake here na former president Uhuru Kenyatta. I think I benefit going against Cold War. But in one way or the other is saying from the purpose of the government at least you know the 1, 2, 3 things. After promotion ya 25,000 teachers mbaranya na marube. But then the serikali ngekata musondenga maruba gocha according to budget. Budget mbona yasoma tu. So they implement the budget as from this month. So maybe mbachanya there amaruba. There's a concern as a survey ya call.
Yes.
And there's shows low literacy levels among Kenyan children. Ngabana bange. Mbali kora kusoma kuya. Literacy ya bera is 3%. That's between the age of 15 and above in Kenya, according to the World Bank report. And the literacy level, above 15, it's 83. Actually, below that, below miaka literacy is sana because of current. There's a new code of conduct ya media practitioners ya Rosigu. So most practitioners by media are accepted. So I'm sure it'll be around next time. What code of conduct here? A journalist. The weather Kenya. Have you ever seen it?
Yeah, nishaiona.
Ngekoroka.
Na nyakonyarwa lakini njetembwati.
It's a handbook by the Gataba Kasiniga. So they are reviewing it. So ne chance what to make koranga abanyanchi rende again. I think those are the main stories today guys. It's in no choko irolera kuba se the standard. Yes.
Ndio muno kigima oretire ase ya taifa leo asobwango muno kiagera nkora ngima korasa studio ya kabiri mpaka nitiraro services chao.
Kwendele gani ringa historia ni agashagwa timetuse gashagwa akagolete taifa leo kiranganga ketu na red rain gaiga amekuwa mtego na serikali. Story nyingi chiriga actually is a translation of what was in the standard on the nation ne yabo nero amekuwa mtego como kanya kia badango chire mbio sana como kanya barake iko akali ndio kike nyata tanya yaka kogenda but this kurige Matilda kurikashagwa enda America I think akonda for 2 months siasa ya kirira ke Kenya korangana ubate siasa Kenya
riverera lyake na emerinde iri nchireri ose eme kutaniri arenge ko bagakorangeria na biko emigande iri arenge ko beka ya sangireka na sichinsemo bono bakeire
ona yakeire koranga naniga oje koirana towards maybe end of August na ndo chake siasa buya. I think then the main story ya Kashagwa Patenga Kenya Meat Commission ko implement the new policies wachake ko konyoranga ba improve the market yabo echikogendera but when you konyoranga expect change what story just sports premier league ngone next month
yes
ni mojo chande kantu no tore lakini ndio tukanyere tore transfer season tuna kichikogenda yes it could be the most important stories as it's in Gasetiara. Yes.
Ndio muno sana mwacho murigirira abono to presense mo ye chigazeti kurindikira turachikoira na seke kerebosyo niko turamurikire igati ya mangana abere atatu irinde tumawose ko murobere korana bono ande nkura koira na se studio ya kabere tunyare kurigire narari ale ase chituka.
etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chekuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba chekuya mandege.
Yesterday. Kijana hujasoma na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndiyo, nimekubali.
Mashaallah.
Unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV, yani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli buli.
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu tamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Iliwi manyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonsi. Inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito. Voigo share na basani amone amate. Elio baigokie. Vaimanye na wesemia. Tobase kweva. Turn on a notification bell yani ekengere. Elio onyari kubagoko ya nyora. Chingaki abikiri ase omtandao. Gatembe Television Network. Ekenakyo ekeunga. Kiama mogusie.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase chitent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimya sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje tia Gatembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amate yao kuli mienzi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia. Egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas ama no kuchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeunga kiama mogusie.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabere n'omugusi negukinia omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekorwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya Pamoja Sacco yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iyonyore obukureri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon buna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga omosio wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wanaintu torono konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sacco na gosegwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeito na gusi yeito esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tempo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche 2023 mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design mbabwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo okunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo gucanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex nyuma y'umucuri g'ubusongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandege uzitosomya bamuraba chikuya mandege.
Karibu sana na ndo mancho murire ekira tukiendelea kurigiriria ayo weireka okorekana ase chinsemo abuga umetengana echindemero. I think twayikwanire for the longest time amare maigase orugongo orwagusi atokirenga abana bamwabo mbali gochibaigwana sana abantu babere bagotwara ukoma na iguru ya maremo timetinga abaibuli bakonyorugwa atamaremo gose n'abana gose kero kino no gutaisanekane ensemo iri umuntu agwaterwa.
So there is no law in this country that banga umibori agwaterwa bulu. There is no and the law that banga umibori sinja bwatu magwa bwa 10 years ngana bwa responsibility ogwaterwa bulu. Ara ko bulu because ngano mwana we. There is nowhere. And bali batiro bulu you find the most cases title deed in Chile. Nyali mu bakago chaga tebinga abuga bwo mubwago nobo pito bwago nobo amosi bwago nobo. Kara tire kara boro kiri ke montaga ache bwae. Lakini na kongu onye mwako kale moyo okwa the original title deed on no subdivide volume as that and set up ya Gusii. Now the Kenya Constitution 2010 allowed for abana basubati to inherit or to succeed property ya baiboli. Ama tuka mange amaega Gusii basubati mbaga atiri volume. But I can tell you from 2010 by the new constitution ye batanto gotumia la bano iga abasubati bakanyora the right yo kwa access property each family. That bono nyomo subati na nyomu utia sangao onya sa chiete oyani rotebire nga tata njengo buli maboke na bagwati like another child as a family. Lakini bono iga as we speak the land sizes in Gusii amale makeir. Panda ngama makeir from an average of 3 acres to 1 acre. Or less 1 acre as a family holding. Kwenye kwa bwate kwenye kwa kanya 3 acres at some time matuka etre maiga pone ke ntora nyoro ke nepi ne km ose enusueka so male makeire. But you see, for me I believe nga segio go itana Gusii telling directors obolo nile kanyaranga umomura atageta koni obolo patimo gakore ngeke wangire como aboli akon oli boka moete no agaste nyumba so murata getamentu bonde
obwakolema
yes obwakola na bonda ta kon but the most cases gata ta kon bolo tokonyora mundu nga bono ngende nganze kwatira tanga ngobolo anga bokeigo nga muita senjongiro boke oli angoboke it's enough for me maybe na rozinga there's a reason why akoboli oboke so abago itamla mabandi ni there could be other underlying issues. Chishu behind it ngaya mondo to make excuse kyo bolemo. Yes, bolemo could be a factor, but there could be other issues. Correct. Na wako bolemo bwa we KM oyonera we KM we KM atwe chomba atwe chimboli ne chingoko oyondo awu akomboi umuntu mungaja simeke chinsiaga adanta dikero mwaka koera ifali yos me the chinsiaga no yo butu chingoko ne chombe nini aya ko boywe we kombo chinsiaga anda to akesabu okombe bono go boleme KM Gusii. It's ranges kwa dinga hiyo. It starts from 4,000 to 15,000. Eke mokombo yo mwaka. Now, oyo singe the ching or the chingo kone chiombe maybe ne chimboli. Aso mwaka ro more than maybe 100,000. Lakini yo kombo ite mwaka mogima onya 10,000. Ese gia chaka. Oyo kombo chinsi yako rangaya por mumbu at value in the wa mwaka oni nusu. Tuma tol mo witso ko ko ni baga tango tora mali mugete. So ngas wan second bako gendera kon. Muntu gwengene ngabona singinjo na ntata na oni ryo businini tena ndengo ni obonde oyo kwana timo ino ga gatanga timo title deed ngakyo kwana riyo yonde kwalt oyo ndo gona next onyo tabwa tinjira gwetera mwanza gusukuma nanga bono toyenjera nyole teki nanga kyale ngikisi gaiga kimo pasta geto kwete ngakiro ndalenge cabinet secretary Matiang Fontiri mu pasta geto musbati akakukuru ali Suneka kind of muga ko yata koni bolo munda ita koneli ulimo police strip muntu mutangane paro golite patio golite maga yae tabwa tinjira access lakini ulimo bo mbutegate moina aboke ubutegate moina no ugatigere bwe family bono mwaka leta kon mungara get kon no mondo gorto kabere na bwate nibo karali so ikabidi mugakabona secretly au ni nje tari bwe actually akanjira oyo my access it mungu ria kanga mungu na gata karakana ngango na Alex ngia sekondo ko ni bwe mungu kangentu ngentu abana bakinyira bakaimoka bakasalia nyumba yoli ko to bwe ngaga nyumba gitenge enene sana na enata property abwate within that vicinity God tiga nyasamu beke asagi atumoke na chitakasira so mungu no ngentro kule oyogoro to minele ibintu ya asali kuna rochiro kule baadaye so ogo itukole gusi kubwate ringi je siasa binte binge sana nyanda mwam family issues no bwe munabuno obole
mwancho murigire kubwatikana na roboti rungo kuiroika ase kenyoro ya kibirichi egotoka ime ya gachuba Kitutu Masaba constituency ase county ya Nyamira kirobono banyanyimbo bachakire eke kokora obotuki kubwatikana nege korekemo ekero omosa oyomo akageire komo ita omumbro mwabo gose komo bitomoyo wika gosiria obugima bwaye na Daniel Ontiri atwarigenerete roboti oru
eng'ana igoro ya maremo nebina igoro yebiginga ase rogongo rogusii nigo yarerekanire koire enchire ng'ao koirera nonye nabande gusirie magima ase gekore kia bwangoiga na sabasae babere b'emyaka emeke babeire bakorwanirira oboremo ekio kiabairete korwana goika gotumeka ebioge asomosae Jared Onyisi w'imyaka 30 nene kurwa Kibirichi imeye kaunti ya Nyamira asirete obugima bwae kubwatekana n'ekingoma cy'umuyo ase enkoro
abonarenge nyomba kanyana arure sinkorwa abana bagacha yo magaicha karabaicha iga karabwate chingeni ku chinyomba oyo magasoka ku nyomba no magasoka ku rwesa igabwate bakanyora ba oyo mone yandirete nemeyo akanyora betiro yo muyo kamubetaga ngeke likerega enkoro igoro oyo ndakamubetaga wono ngachiko mnyoki go chinyagitari ngachiko bitisi ngatebigwo ngachiko akishirwona omwana oyo no nyorire
korengana na tatu mwabo nyagusira omugaka Samuel Mutari abaiga babere bakoyegwa oboseme igoro yengane yo no boseme bwae bwabere bwetero gotokomo na gosokero konde
ona abana aba ina na chitakasira kabantigera ekarabantigera abana aba nabakonya baramo bari buya lakini ene saitani wikirase gitobatarire abana abe bajete bakaitana
korengana n'umurugio nyagusira ogukwa ko mugako nigo kwaletera asare nene namange bono nachikomosinya egati yabo gukinia abana babere abo batigarite barense emyaka 15 nichinga kicho esegeto yarwewa sabasae b'emyaka emeke
sasa hii ni kuhangaika tu hata sijui nafikiria wapi ama naelekea wapi bwanangu alikuwa ananisaidia juu ya chakula na school fees Sahi kama yuko sijui nitarekea wapi.
Uchindo chengo muntu gakogoseire teribuya munya koirera ni kabere gatatu. Wono nabwetagete na mwaberana ama abera ni garama ya. Na gusaba nuko mabera ni garama ya. Wono bune bono buna obakongo mbwata ni fakti ndoche no mwana yarete tasara sana. Igorende abantu baminte gento nabasabe no koremererani. Noro muntu akomachaire gochi mutigego nonye unabona abantu bali bakora bagaka bali bakolo ngate bagachire no mungina gako goseiro agotama osomo ngina gako goseiro mugako tama elire gwakaga nambo batama lakini mugaka buruburia bwate bwakarire kwalire ocha koirana na mwasa bana mabera
mukagerwa manene nigo agenderete gutangwa asegetasini keba inyimbo gya keroka echinga kibotuki wachakiwe ase chinga kicho ya mate yenyegosira yabuli gusirwa ase wikirania emirobelio ya matanga
serikali wono nero nintagete akore rubusu motom ya rengeli tukolia Jumapili lakini enda serikali nyaje tano mwana ulia yatakeira akore post motom na endirende sengencho bono baitanete na ende bari buya tarenge batarenge barwire atarenge murwire bono no mubera manyinga yare kumenya kubuka Mbone ngumetie sakare na omubiri tucaregeti.
Ngurubuthire getaseni kya Gatembe kuriga se kaunti ya Nyamira litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Umetabuga bimbiri bikuru kwa ofete nga umugaka bumachera ni gabate akanyora bamenyete no bomo ne amate bate anga babiri ba utoro kumusana iguru yobolemo Tinitingi entre pau con ese game aquí alenke onde tai yolenga ngori kubatoria.
Atanga story njena koreti nyingi kona story iki. Ni story chamba ni story chamba ni chia siasa. Ni chia afya. Lakini chamba ni chikongoki. You know is a chigwe kichuketi abantu abange. Osikore gelu mwako genda ukwana atiketo atabana babere. Amra batiketu kiro mo rugyo ya sirete. So krabatu Valente mpaka sibaikira bona. But isikwe mwaka genda ukwana towards the end. Akora ko bolinga orinero kalechera nandi tuneyo chingo mataka gundetia sakari. Umroyo kule. But you see not take that will discuss issue yambulum. This report ya gatebanga issue ya lengo bulum. Correct. Onyo wata amrobe ingia tango borke komonda sakwagata. But in circumstances obule mombura twari no family no mugaka bumuji osunyu wata. Ibisene yaso kakari yo moeli obole chincherere goika. Creo que some parts of Gusi bona chaka kenchinse mo chinge chia Gusi bona ika. Amale mabere oboncherere nini. But wetani abu the factor njire chiko gera and bakurwana at the family level senchobulu. Gente que mono chiprada bamuraba mo bakurwana robulu. Na bayibuli bale na banyome buli mananji tumo muroyo akijaba ayibuli abange banjitaba na baba ayito motangi somo kokoti. In most circumstances una bano njensa masingorunga konya muraba koti bagotira within the homesteads tie mechi. Konya muraba koti amenyete na bayibuli within the home. Konya muromo nene ika kwaga cha tambi away from the homestead. Otikira amurabani elindiria male ngo. But their homes tira modern bona ika konyora kiro mumuraga ite within the compound. The compound area. So that the bad male mayande for farming. Family chini jike to a point bakwaga cha koroba. Konya ngo muromo koti amenyense okabere mbako muromo nene. Abumbali babwa tobo ngo ba manyirenga ulimo bwa keir. So the only solution to what no kwenda kwenda igoro. Amna murasa bamura. But the issue in the area abaiboli na bana babo. Kana chaka toka tenga ki there's no law. There's a court judgment yarenge sometimes last year. Ya tenga the mwebol tabuati the responsibility watera yoko omumuro ayo bolumu. Kwalele. It may be other property like you bolumu ancestral land. Mwebol tabuati responsibility kwa mwanoe. Ke kwa bere machi wende kueligeri nae. So there's no responsibility ngo mweboli ni haki yako. Na lazima watero bolumu kubolio mo lazima watero bolumu. Mweza kwa na court you lose the case. So ina baiboli na bamuraba. Issue yendere gusine the issue ya widows. I could like no ne report bine muntu kwango chimba deeper. You could find issue ne yale ngoro. Na uchekera kwanyoranga at one point mugaka kanyo metomo no gwatu mumuro akachano mumuro yomo. Kaikomo chekanyoma kanyoma mumuro. Kera most kato ba trend yakatebunga ke wachira some murder incident ya killing or some murder incident ya veira. Wa dig deeper. You could be told no bolemo, but there could be a deeper. Cause ya kana bana mo chakobori omo yungo monto ko betro mo yi akobeteli mo na ndairo lere manyinga ta okwala that deepunga ngento ne king happen. Ngento kende ne widows as a gusi. The gusi community when place to widow buya. Akanyoranga kero mo gaka sire e family taka ko inelt muswati rotigiru mo barako rotigiru. Ose pataka como seri. In most cases ba goselu. Kwalira. Now, kero goselu widow tabwa na bake abamurambale ngoro. Ono nyomna amuraba sande. Asa ko nyom urudi yakosinga conflict. Nga muraba mpali ku chwatiri bulemu. Ngora to discuss incident yalenga ya ba Islam ba katebanga. Kero muswati ni mwana letani. Ko inherited property ya the foster dad. The same case happened has a gusi some gusi families katebanga. Kero mongina nyomiru nyabata bana amura mbali ku chwatiri. Ose mbako tindeka baibuli. Na wako tindeka ngina kinda ko tindeka isoli. Unless nyo ndo mwana ndo mumura. Ati wakende keke. Ati kumotindeka. So issue ya widows yendene bwate mechando gusi. Kwanya romo gaka ganyo metomo subat. Akamenya nera ancestral land taro. asenja bakangotara bale akana kanyo mongino nda sande bakamenye town asata ko lutibul masa asako mbete nyumba kala mwako yasira the entire family ga appreciate nga bangana mabere balenge lakini ke gasa ga appreciate mongino makatara ga chiru kala mwaka goku bacha ka succession yamara kuruza myaka 10 myaka 5 even nambe ko the succession where you find the be prolonged for so many years now kale myaka kagenda in between kwanya romongino yomoka osirire nero tira abana asumuti so yari kurwa somongino ngurwanira property yo mugako yanda sabana for ebi ne byagendere mpaka abana bo kabana banza kurwana you will find even this incident mugako maybe na nyometo mongino after the passing on yo mongino mutangani maybe akanyo mongino onde you cannot be told such stories maybe akabo so kama kanyora ngamura batike mosi babere ayo mago support mongino yo chiro kabir ayo malage against banza gwetana bo kabanyana kinto kenengera no kietwa discuss to ketango chaka tataba buli banze gwatira abana babasubate amari muga kosira lakini aorogeti abana babaiseka buli mombolega igo akinta ba formally tikira abarokire baenda batige mu muro munya kolema angekero muga kupi they'll come back and demand their share segi ya chakanga torokese mwali kene tenga mwa keke mwa ale matira you need to be aware nga title list nyingi chire gusi but they are fake nyingi na kongoro bol mbono iga or title deed regeni if you are buying land in Gusii as a third person there's a 90% of chances injiringa title deed in fake unless you do due diligence lakini otherwise ukoyi unabona umuntu akungena nganjikenda kusongo korobole ngabona na mutangani korobole mubore songo within CBD ose environment ya Gusii ya Kisii town ngabona kwa irobole mo or title deed is being transferred to you as a first person. Actually, there's no land in Kisii town one nigga. Or have transferred to as a first person. Or a monto gatano, or monto chiamutu. Lakini na motano kugora kwa ngaini. Anta bange ba ira mali members of parliament ba yiri chibesa. Chiamare. Matrende nelinga ki mali makere Gusii. The first step should be to take subdivide mali. Kwalta. Ngani ngalise ino agacha within the compound area. Manya murabane ke montaga chenye nyamba mwina yonde compound in. Uli mobonde because mbole still fertile mukole farming. Na engineer murarokani mukole farming. But if we continue subdividing land in Gusii, it will be a major crisis.
Kero montaga chese nsema ya.
Yes, kero montaga nsema it will be a major crisis. That's why there's a protocol travel. Kero kwa ikire ikuro motu tinga. When driving along tinga kero kana nyamira, you look at your left hand side. Oli gari nchiro ko nyomba bwa kachire mu mbugari wa kana nesi vita nesi miao. That's the true picture what's happening in Gusii in terms of people wasaka lako enda keroka kewe ikire amabuko wa kebi John the side ya oli gari tikero technical training mbugari wa kebi jangu mbugari orenje nyomba bwa kachire montama etepinga bole mumboyo aira ka bole mukale 20 by almost 70 lakini no that's make melingam no that's make chinsia no that's make chai. So what happens in the month of no antima senya gente kire osenga kikere mete Gusii mochitira tanyoro mwana mumura kuri metia Gusii wata wana wamura sana timende saba senga keja yaba kini amana bangi bali metia Gusii so kero murada tagacha kero murada kwagacha ono ayi bule mobuja ko probu eri that's why nje as much as abantu abangopinga bala affordable housing good wish nanze nyole nyombe ya mong access unity ya masa affordable housing kwa nyanjwa gachi timwe nje tora tibya senga kei bali nje ngende ngapla nanze nyole affordable housing ya mogali because no nja singorunga kato kina to abantu bulu mabona sana but you realize the more kama monya gokina kana lengo mo kana lengo mwana otata na bero muromo nanje na ruki utata so nyetwe na robolo kyabwa keire no na access te yo kasoko chiraka. Yes. Everything be squeeze bana matanga ni skuru yako leo.
Ene kwanza una ntoke nyarugeito. Dio kebe bahati abantu basamurete chibana. Amatanga kore rwaseme kondo lakini asenge geti kikarika amatanga rakorekane ebiti byakere. Timete use kwa bwate kindi nande kwa ngi comment kero to gukora kyagerando changari tukore rero ntware ngina yande amange.
In the Kiango Kira story, and story to discuss about Yamalemo. The promise is that in Jendi Gimuran Register or Kisii, Chikano Mogusiana Chacha, I said, what is the way forward?
Na nento arakwana nento apandre tengane yo.
Yes. After the clear facts in Kisii, where are we in terms of land in Kisii? Serikali ni wata malimo. Serikali tu wata malimo Kisii. So ngoja kwa serikali ya malimo yagache this communities chio konya abantu. Matenga Kisii bwate mate. Mbona bakwa gacha public what do you call it? Especially the matari nga abantu jikara hansoro. Nga watu moke. Epak kete mate. People's Park. But you know, you ask yourself a simple question. Nga iba yeto bochafu buli. As babu, is that an alternative? Where do we find government land in Kisii? Kisii bone kete kwa cemetery. Kali asa abantu bachi gutinde ku. Mata nyito kwa cemetery, tanga bana abantu bande baguku no baje batinde ku. Tokea ni bitina yanga. And it's a cold event which family chita bone naba Gusii. Kama monta kule tutiko kwatike Gusii kelimono nga jumo gakatinde ku koli mukungu atinde ku kama ngana kula atinde ku ekebe ngalo ku geita igo mugako atinde ku ngena geita mungna ndimo ta find a common place era no 20 by 20
by the way na kingora aligere na ra
beko chiboyo boinor
na chi community chinde ebisa kubinde na boko nyoro monta ko ru Gusii county ki asiriti bugima bwayo kwa nyoro iru Lang'ata chinse monchiro roba
within 3 days bakol kama to monto kuro kule
wakora kwanyoranga amangana aliyo kuira oboina abantu bachikole mabuna bono konyora achinkanjiro chwate oboina nge amaragatano.
You see,
koma konyora ngobole
anonyore family
abantu bako bwana onyokole maroro gose onyo kwagacha tukunyara kwagacha
friend yani yako tuli manya mataro gali wale almost I think wale almost 50 by 75 ona gakolema gaiga semo no muchibo muntu manya matali kalime chialinge on combons so gakugura akataka kubeke koroba so now you have to go deeper kimo gago turumba ko chinza ko lemo a foundation ya the HCP achubeke pila aikire somewhere akanyora chitile chibekirenzi bono no cemetery kapsa kumirende nini kunya the remains ya bones injiro nini ajaga ndethinga I flattened that piece of land na vole makabona kwa kasi nyumba bole mago a lot of money kwa chamba kabona ndethinga if we let her lose that piece of land then disturbing the dead within the club because andu amone tuli mumba maite badegete oboino atananda ko adanga ta kwirura ko bolemo within CBD ke gosa environment ya Kisii town mbya ndagora ko chisco mashinani a developer yes
anyway abono turacho ko rabuga aseritu kerigari araro sengenje turiko twara maiga na umoncho murigire mbe mona sana ekagera oko ogendete ko ba eme ya Getembe TV chinga kitchens indo chinga ambara igarande bairana asentunda ende barenge naintwe eme yomurobire abonda che gosoma ujumbe ichabase o titageka chinke chirebosio unabona 04 bagahera tebangare Joshua ako likirere koro chinse mo chiritianya Isamanga Kitutu Masava constituency akotebano areme na kale bundi na Kevin Onchwari na Dennis Mokora otabokoro Nyorobi tionde en wiza crown aragotanga from Hong Kong, China, niko live na Bonaventure Movisa, Eli Mwache Alivio, Edwin Okari, Bonsi Nobare Eme, Yomorobiro. Tivitenga Nyorobi Abuga, ilete liga Nyorobi, ayenga kiwa kinete ko lemanyate, Nyorobi.
I think Nairobi is a Maasai name.
Korokia Sale Swamp, Asawatawache.
So Nyorobi is a coin, senjo maybe Montongoli Kwana I pronounce Nyorobi. No, the Gusii community what NY as a language here. So Kabangana Kwana nyo Nyorobi. Takanya Kwana na. So Unagabeka Nyorobi. Kama tenga and letter that comes after N is Y. So Unagabeka Nyorobi.
Kolende tali mangana kumancho murigire endera utigara eme ya Getembe TV tumerane anainde asekiunga chinsa isana bere charero mugaso cross studio bere havila akariri ne timu ya enene na ubanyara kwenekia kwa TV chichiga na boigeri ogia senchira grupo Matilda baiwa aiga ase ensemo ende gotorengenere Abuga Eric timete usewe kari tukori anke usetu korinde nande tuko sanga ase omurobirega obwetwana korinde kumirana tore nainde naye ase ikionga chinsa isana bere chara mugaso
etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bache kuya mandegere